Hello? 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 I cannot open up my stream for some reason. What the fuck? Hello? There we go. It works. Alright. Hello, everybody. Hello? I'm alive. I'm alive again. I'm doing more game dev today. Hopefully gonna make some progress because last time I spent so much time working on the inventory system. And I technically got it to work, but I didn't finish my inventory system. So I do want to finish it today. Well, I don't know if finish is the right word, because, like, I plan on making more updates with my game, because, I'm probably going to add new features and stuff, so I'm probably going to need to, like, change things in the future. Hello, Garrett. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I'm doing more game dev today. Also, I don't know if you were here last time for the cheese. I've added the cheese into the game, by the way. I added cheese into the game. There's cheese now. I could eat a Did you say horse? Did you just say eat a horse? What's this about eating a horse? What's this about eating a horse? Also, hello, Nutty Buddy. Hope you're having a good day, man. Hopefully everything's going well. Yeah, wait, what? Why is this cheese so straight? I could have sworn I had like a bevel on it. Why the fuck is it so straight? What the hell? I gotta make some changes, I think. I gotta make some changes. See, now I have my simple inventory. It says a very delicious block of cheese. Yes, a very, very delicious block of cheese, guys. I think I'm gonna wait. I don't know why my cheese is a little bit weird for some reason. My cheese is way too straight. Like in my game, there wasn't a bevel. I added a bevel there for some reason. It wasn't in the game. I think I forgot to apply the modifier, I think. Why did the bevel not show up in game? What the fuck? Wait, what? There is no modifier or anything, so I don't know why the bevel did. What the hell? I'm gonna try exporting this again. I do not know why the fuck. Let me try this again. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do visible objects, data, apply modifiers. Hopefully this will fix the cheese. Gay cheese and straight. I'm talking about the bevel. I'm not talking about sexuality, okay? I'm talking about the bevel. Yeah, for some reason, this is way too straight. Like, that's, like, really fucking straight for some reason. I made a bevel on my cheese. I don't know why it's not beveled. There we go. There, it's finally beveled. Okay, it's beveled now. It is beveled. Now I can go over here and redo the, what's it called? The mesh for this cheese. I'm gonna re-add this cheese. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna put this in here instead. I'm gonna delete this. This is cheese. We have cheese in the game now, guys. We have cheese. Are you guys happy that we have cheese? It doesn't do anything yet, but it will soon. It will do something eventually. It's gonna heal you and stuff. It doesn't do anything yet. I haven't figured out how to make items actually do stuff yet. But I will need to do that. I will need to do that, you know. I will need to do that. So I need to press the use button. Use. So this is the use button. I need to get it to connect the signal. So I'm gonna go to my player script real quick. I'm gonna create some functions for my player script to heal the player. I'm gonna create some basic like heal functions, I think, for the player. Let me, shit, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to func heal HP. Heal HP amount. Let's do that, amount. Let's do HP plus equals amount if HP greater than max HP, then HP equals max HP here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with stamina and mana. Because I'm gonna add like some like potions and stuff to the game. So I'm gonna have to like heal stamina and stuff. Stamina and MP. So MP goes up over here. MP. For some reason I got a fucking like weird notification by Dell, which is the fucking computer I'm using. Max MP here. We're gonna actually do something here. So we're gonna do, what's it called? HP, hunger, or stamina. I need to heal the stamina. Stamina as well. So this is if the player needs a heal or something, it can do that. It can heal the stamina. I forgot. Did I remove the hunger ability yet? Did I remove hunger? I forgot. Because I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually implement hunger in this game. Hunger seems a little bit tedious, but like it might be pretty useful, you know. It might be pretty useful. Okay. Now I just need to figure out how to hook up the use mechanic, the use signal to the what's it called? The fuck, I'm blanking out, man. I'm fucking blanking out. Jeez whiz, I am actually blanking out here. Have you played a game on a game console? I don't play on game consoles a lot, but I have played on the Wii before. You know, when I was younger, I had a Wii, and I have played on the Wii before. Like, I'd rather play on a computer. I'm a PC Master Race guy. I much prefer PC. Like, for me, PC is the go-to console. But, I haven't really used that many consoles, though. I have used the Wii, though. You know, the Wii. You know, or whatever. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but okay, let me add the player into here. Let me add the player. This is the player. I added the player. I think I'm gonna pass the player into the use function, I think. So I'm gonna pass the player here. This is the player. There we go. This is the player. And then in the item, and then and then I'm in here. I'm gonna allow it to use. So this is the cheese item, right? This is the cheese. Okay, use. Okay, cheese. What do I want the cheese to do? So I want to do player node. I guess I can put this as player. Or I guess node. I can do node, I guess. Node dot heal. Let me just heal 10 for now. I guess I'll heal 10. Make the cheese touch. Honestly, I could do that. I could do that. I technically could do that. It is in my capabilities to do that. I can do that, but like, do I want to do that? I don't know. You know, I actually might. You guys are telling me to add so many things. You guys are getting way ahead of things, you know. I've literally struggled to make an inventory. You guys are demanding way too much from me, you know. Okay, let me test out the cheese. I'm gonna run around for a bit to use up my stamina, so that I can go around and heal my stamina. Let me see if this works. That did not work. Where did my... Okay, let me test that. Oh, wait, I forgot. I think I forgot to update stats. Okay, I think I know where I went wrong. I forgot to update the stats. I think. I'm not sure. Why did that not work? That should have worked. Player heal HP. Remove Door's death for better optimization. They're gonna die, okay? They're gonna die. I'm gonna try to make everything in this game killable. I want to make everything killable. Like, from the NPCs, to the boss, to your mother, to babies. You can kill everything. Nothing, except for things that aren't alive. Like, you can't kill a tree, for example. You can't kill a tree because plants aren't alive. We all know plants aren't alive. They're not living beings, you know? Dorses will tax you your cheese tax. The IRS is gonna come for my cheese taxes, you know. I'm committing cheese evasion. Yes, I'm committing cheese tax evasion. Yes, I'm not paying my cheese taxes. Also, make sure to stay hydrated, guys. I'm drinking water. add the suicide option, you're just gonna be able to kill yourself. You just like fucking like make a noose, tie it to like a fan, those spinny. Those are fans, right? Yeah, like the ceiling fan, and then hang yourself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe maybe. I might add like a unstuck function or like an unstuck ability where if you're stuck in a wall or if the game is bugged, I might make it so you can kill yourself to get out. That's what I might do, but who knows. Now I just need to figure out why this isn't working though. I need to figure out why this isn't working. Update stats. The stats should be updated, so I'm not sure why this doesn't work. Update stats, update stats, update stats. Why does this not work? Okay, can we figure out why this doesn't work? For some reason, my stamina didn't come back, even though I literally used the... Oh, wait, I forgot. Wait, oh my god, I'm an idiot. I'm a dumbass. I forgot to use the item. I picked it up, but I didn't use it. I'm a fucking... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. I cannot believe the little brain dead I am. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. I always get ahead of myself. I was like, why is this not working? Why is it not... Bro, because I didn't fucking use the item. I picked it up. There's literally a use option here. There is literally a use option. I forgot to press the use option. Yeah, I forgot to press the use option, guys. I forgot to press the use option. So, I'm a dumbass. I'm a fucking dumbass. Okay, let's pick up some cheeses. Let's run around a bit. Let's run around, and then I'm gonna use some of this cheese. Yeah, the cheese heals me, guys. The cheese heals me. Woo, baby, let's go. The cheese heals me. I got to work. There we go. I did not die from the operation, but it does die from what operation? Did you? I don't know if your message got, if one of your messages got what's it called? Your messages got deleted, but I feel like you said a message after the add suicide option and before that message you just said. But are you talking about your dentist? I'm pretty sure you Oh, okay, yeah. I had my wisdom. Yeah, I literally just remembered you talking about your wisdom tooth. Yeah, I just remember. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Also, is this supposed to hurt? I'm like, don't the doctors aren't they supposed to give you the thing that makes your mouth go numb? Aren't the doctors supposed to make your mouth go numb by injecting giant long hard things into your mouth and making your mouth numb so that you don't feel pain? I'm pretty sure it's very concerning if it actually hurt a lot. I commit fucking tax fraud? Hello, 1am Jerry. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I have a lot of cheese today. Do you like cheese, 1am Jerry? Do you like cheese? Because, there's a lot of cheese today. There is a lot of fucking cheese. There is a fucking lot of cheese. And you can fuck the cheese in this game. Actually, I do not know if you can fuck cheese or not. But there is cheese. You can eat it. You can eat the cheese. And it will heal your stamina. It will fucking heal your stamina. Yeah, there we go. It heals your health as well. But right now I don't actually take damage. I had that, but you can't have it forever. After a few hours, I'm forced to only use the unregulated painkillers. And they do not help that much. Yes, I love cheese. Let's go. We have cheese here. Lots and lots of cheese. So much cheese, and we can also kill some animals as well. This is Animal Cruelty and Cheese Eating Simulator. This is animal abuse and cheese eating simulator, guys. We're gonna kill some animals. Look at that. It died. I fucking murdered it. And now its head is stuck in a tree. And it's gone. There we go. There we go. There we go. We can kill things now. We can kill things and we can eat cheese. So happy. Alright, okay, we gotta continue though. We gotta make more progress. I'm happy with the progress, but we gotta make more, you know? Gotta make more. First things first, we wanna make the item actually go away once it's used. So, actually that's a good name. Animal Abuse and Cheese Simulator. The thing is, that's the good... Okay, I would make that the name of my game, but the thing is, I also want to add more mechanics as well. That's not going to be the only mechanic in the game. Jerry, if you get a large quantity of cheese from a basement, you have to declare it to the IRS? Listen, I'm not paying the cheese taxes. I don't care what you fucking say. I'm not paying the cheese taxes. I'm not fucking paying the cheese taxes. If item type equals consumable, eat. This is the eat function. I'm gonna do the eat function. Func eat. That's kind of funky, bro. It's kind of funky. Kind of funky. Export var heal HP. This is gonna be this is gonna be the amount that the play it heals the player. Basically, I'm gonna export it. Heal stamina. Heal HP. Wait, no. Heal MP. And heal, this is gonna be heal hunger. This is gonna export this. It's gonna export all these values now. Where is my exported value? Where the fuck? What? I just added 3 more exports, and for some reason the exports are not here. Where the fuck are they? Oh, wait, that's the wrong... Okay, I was on the wrong thing there for a sec. I was on the completely wrong thing. Where is the export? What the fuck is going on? Hello? No cheese tax. If I remember correctly, then bribes need to be declared in our tax. Listen, I'm not paying my cheese taxes. I don't fucking care what you guys say. I'm not paying for my cheese taxes, alright? I'm not paying for the cheese taxes. Why is this not showing up? Why? Where is my... Huh? Huh? What the fuck? The fuck? Where is the thing? The thing? Hello? 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 Where is the thing? Where's the thing? The thing and the thing. Where is it? Where are the export? Oh, they're... What the... I swear to God, they weren't here like a second ago. Oh, I think it was because there was an error. That's why I figured it out. There was an error. That's why it didn't show up. Whatever. I got it to work now. I got it to work. This is going to heal 10 hunger. If there's a cheese tax, I kill myself. That's a bit of a over-exaggeration, you know? Like, you know, a bit of an over-exaggeration. Cheese. Aren't you literally the tax evasion guy? Why would you choose to kill yourself if you can just choose to tax evade, you know? Why would you do that? You can just tax evade. You can literally just tax evade, man. Literally just tax evade. Heal HP. Is gonna heal stamina. Heal stamina. It's gonna heal MP. I don't know if I'm gonna add a hunger ability. Should I add hunger to this game? I have a hunger bar, but it doesn't really do anything yet. I don't know if I want to actually add a hunger bar. Do I actually want to add hunger to this game? Do you guys actually like hunger? Hunger is kind of a weird mechanic because on one hand it is immersive that you have to eat, but on the other hand it's annoying to get food. Stamina is enough already, but the thing is, I'm going to make it so my stamina doesn't kill you if you run out of it. Stamina is probably going to affect the regeneration that you have. If you're like full health, it's going to regenerate fast. If you're not at full health, you're not going to regenerate or something. Like, it's not going to kill you. But I don't know if I want to add something like that. Like, is that like too much work? I guess I can see. I can add that last. If I do want to add it, I can add that last. That'll be the last thing I add if I need to. Hunger. Okay. 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 I'll see though. I'll see what I do. I also want to add quantity of items as well. I want to add quantity because right now I can only have one. The items don't stack. Right now the items don't stack. And because of the fact they don't stack, you have like 1,000,000 cheese in your inventory. So I'm thinking of creating an item. I want to make it stack. You know, I want to make it stack. So I don't know. This is I'm gonna make it so the item gets used here. The item gets used. Let me see here. For now, I'm just gonna do queue free. I'm gonna do queue free. Actually, I'm gonna do quantity minus equals 1 if quantity quantity equals 0, less than or equal to 0. The demo to my game. You're making a game. Wait, have you told me this before? I feel like you have. I don't know. I don't know if it was you. There's a lot of people who join my chat nowadays, so I don't know if it was you, but I remember someone saying they were creating a game. Were you that person? What game are you making, by the way? Do you have like a Steam? You have told me. Okay, sorry. I forgot. I don't remember everything that everyone tells me because I have an awful memory. But I do remember that you told me. Someone told me that. But do you have like a Steam page? I'll check it out. If you wanna post a link or something, let me know. And just I'll check it out. I'm curious. I like game dev. Yes, I like game dev. I like people who make games. So that would be cool to check out. Yeah, that would be cool to check out. That would be cool to check out. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Wait, what am I gonna do again? Okay. On use, I'm gonna do inventory selected. I'm gonna do inventory selected 0 dot quantity minus equals 1. If quantity equals less than or equal to 0, I have less than or equal to 0, then I'm gonna do, this is gonna queue free. I'm gonna queue free and then I'm gonna delete it, I think. Is this how I do queue free again? I forgot. Is this how I do queue free? This is how I queue free, right? That's how I queue free, yeah. Jerry is the dev behind Sex with Hitler. It's gonna be on Game Jolt or Itch. The demo is very shitty and unpolished. Half the time I've been making this thing, listen, your game cannot be worse than mine. I'm telling you now, your game cannot be worse than mine. So if that's any help, your game cannot be worse than mine. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try to figure this out real quick. How do I remove from an array again? Let me search that. Godot remove from array. I'm gonna remove from an array here. How do I remove again? I forgot. There should be like a, oh right, there's an erase button. Slime, it's on Scratch. It's made on Scratch, a fucking kids website. To be fair, I actually made a Scratch game before. I've made many Scratch games before. Scratch games aren't guaranteed to be bad, okay? They're not guaranteed to be bad. Just because it's a Scratch game doesn't mean it's guaranteed to be bad, okay? Okay, like, it can still be good. It can still be good. Like, compared to me, the fucking game I'm making, it's kind of garbage. It's fucking fat garbage right now. But yeah, let me figure this out. So this is I need to do dot remove inventory. Let me do remove here. Dot remove. I'm gonna remove this, and then I need to remove it from my inventory. Wait, my inventory. Wait, what? I'm suddenly very confused all of a sudden. Wait, I need to remove my item list. Okay, I need to remove it from my item list. Item list dot remove item selected 0. This should work, I think. I think that should work. Luckily, it's not going to be published on Scratch. I found a website that I actually made a Scratch game, and I actually posted it on Itch as well. If you guys check out my Itch page, I have a Scratch game as well, by the way, if you guys are curious. It's like a Vampire Survivors clone. It was a very shitty Vampire... Do you guys want me to show it on screen? I can actually play the game on screen if you guys want to see my shitty Scratch game that I made once. Oh my god, the game crashed. The game crashed. Fuck. Okay. The game crashed. Fantastic. Sure. Okay, I'll take a break from my game dev for a bit and show off my little game that I made. SlimeInSpace itch.io. There we go. Let me show off my shitty game. It's called Shape Survivors, by the way. This game I made called Shape Survivors. I made this in like a week. I made this game in like a fucking week. I think I made like a year ago, I think. This was like a year ago, I think, yeah. For some reason, this game is like 100 megabytes. What the fuck? Did I add a virus to this game without realizing it or something? Like, what the fuck? Why is this game so big? Like, this is, like, 100 megabytes isn't that big, but this is a fucking Scratch game. There are literally no textures. I didn't add any textures. It's literally just all, well, actually, that's a lie. There are textures. I just remembered. There are textures. But what the fuck? These are literally such a tiny, let me show it on screen. You guys will see. The game is very shitty. Very, very shitty. Right now, it's kind of Trojan. I literally you know what'd be really funny? Imagine, like, this hacker guy create a virus. They uploaded it into the internet and then forgot about it. And then years later, they download their own virus and then they infected their own computer. I don't know. That just feels kind of funny to me, but yeah. Selected.quantity. How do I item quantity? Oh right, I spelled it wrong. It's item quantity, not just quantity. Item quantity. Not just quantity, it's item quantity. Slime added a crypto miner. Why the fuck is this taking so long to export? What the hell? I mean extract, not export, extract. Why does this take so long to extract? What the fuck? Let me try this again. I don't know why it took me like 10 minutes to extract. For some reason, once it reaches 75% complete extraction, it just like slows down. What the fuck do I have in this file? What the fuck do I have in this fucking file for it to be like this? What the hell? What the fuck? I don't know what's wrong with my, what the fuck? Seriously, what the fuck? This game isn't, like, this game is nothing impressive. I don't fucking know why it's like, huh? Give me a second here. It's extracting. I don't know why it's, OBS is is it? Hello? Hello? I don't know why it's OBS is dying. Is my stream dying? What? Hello? Oh, when I close my window for Godot, if you're talking about the Godot, yeah, I'm aware that's what happens when I close my Godot window. I open up my browser, so it closed the Godot window. That's normal. For a sec, I thought my stream was dying. I thought my stream was dying there for a sec. If it's just the OBS, it's fine. It's fine, you know. Yeah, okay. I don't know why the fuck. Okay, you know what? While this thing is exporting, I'm literally just gonna do more game dev. I'm gonna wait for it to export properly, and then I'm just gonna do more game dev in the meanwhile. Let me run my game now. Let's see if my cheese eating works. Let's see if my eating cheese works here. What, did I just hear something? I could have sworn I just heard something. Use, and it still does not fucking work. What the fuck? What? Oh, wait. I forgot. This is erase. I forgot. Erase. It's the erase function, not the remove function. My bad, game. My bad. There we go. Let me play this. See if this works. Let's get some cheese. Let's get some cheese now. Use. And it crashed again. Why the fuck does it keep crashing? Dot erase. Oh wait, inventory dot erase and selected 0. I think this is how I need to do it. Okay, let's see if this works. See if this works. Let's try again for like the 50th time, you know, for the 50th time. Let's see if this works. Cheese. I ate the cheese. Wait, did I? Wait, oh my fucking god. Okay, it works? What the fuck? Invalid access. God fucking damn it. More bugs, yay. Hello, Blue Alien. Welcome to the stream, and how you doing? Hope you're having a good... Why the fuck is this thing still exporting? Okay, there, okay, finally finished. Jesus Christ. Also, hello, Blue Alien. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna show off this little game I made if you wanna see it. For some reason, it's telling me that there might be a virus on this game. Shape Survivors. This is my game, guys. Shape Survivors. Suddenly the stream got a lot more horny. what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Oh my god. By the way, these sound effects are made by me. If you listen closely to the sound effect, that's literally me clicking my tongue, by the way. That's literally me going clicking my tongue. That's how I made the sound effects for this game. Yeah, this is like a little Shape Survivors game. I made that sound as well. I think I just popped in my mouth. I think I went. I literally made all the sound effects, guys. I literally made all the sound effects for this game. This was made in Scratch, so I finished it in like a week. And there was a boss fight. There was like 2 boss fights, I think. I think there's like 2 boss fights, so. Choose a random ability. I'm gonna choose a thunder. Thunder. Feel the thunder. Bzz. Wait, what? Where's the thunder? Wait, where's the thunder? Wait, did that... Wait, did the game not work? Okay, there it is. I was so confused why there wasn't thunder. I made all the... Like, you guys hear the bzz? That was me as well, guys. That's... It's so fucking goofy, I swear to God. This game is so fucking goofy. Bzz. Let me get laser here. So maybe the video I saw on your homepage was right, not to use Godot. I still don't know what video you're talking about, by the way. I still don't know what video you're talking about. Oh my god. Alright, I added a domain to my game as well. I added fucking domain expansion. There's domain expansion to this game, yes. There's a domain. The fucking sound for the electric sounds so funny every time. You guys, what do you guys think of this? Oh, I also added slime as well. What do you guys think of this game so far? You guys enjoying this game? This game is immaculate. It is a professional game made by a professional game dev. Yeah, this is beautiful. Alright, I also have a I actually added quite a decent amount of abilities, honestly. I added quite a lot of abilities, honestly. I have like a solid amount of abilities. Like for a Scratch game, I'm honestly quite proud of this game. I'm quite proud of this, despite literally just being fucking... Okay, I'm being surrounded quickly. What the fuck? Can you guys kill these slimes, please? Or whatever these things are? Please die. Please die. Oh god, I'm being surrounded. I need another domain expansion. I need a bigger domain. Fucking bigger ass domain here. Also, I went on a VTuber live stream and started spamming die. And then I don't know if why were you going into random streams and spamming die? I don't know if you should be doing that, man. I'm gonna be real. I feel like you should be doing that. So, I'm just saying, I don't think you should be doing that. I don't know why you did that in the first place, but, sure. Also, I'm gonna just go kill off... Oh my god. Okay, there's a lot of enemies now. There's a lot of fucking enemies. Okay, there's a lot... I need to lock in here. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh my god, look at how much guys I just killed. I just killed off so many of these things. Holy fuck, I just gained so much EXP. I gained so... Oh my god, my EXP is going up. Oh. Okay, now there are more enemies coming in. I'm introducing more enemies. See these little blue guys? That's a new enemy. There's new enemies now. You gotta be careful of the little guys. Okay, I'm starting to take a lot of damage though. I'm taking a lot of damage. I am taking a lot of damage here. Okay, okay, I also have Fireball as well. Because YouTube recommendations are stupid and I was off my meds. Even so, I feel like going into a random stream and spamming die is not something you should be doing, man. Like, if you were to go into my stream and start spamming die, I would be quite sad, you know? I'd be very saddened, and I would tell you to go die, you know? But, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna keep playing this game. I'm at 55 HP right now. Let me just keep killing these guys. Okay, I need to upgrade my domain again. My domain is starting to become very weak. I need to upgrade my domain. Okay, goddamn. Okay, I'm starting to be overwhelmed here. I'm being overwhelmed. Okay, domain expansion again. Domain expansion. Now my domain's even bigger. My domain is even bigger now. Oh, my domain! Go, domain expansion! There we go. I'm getting a lot of EXP now. So much EXP. Look at this. Woo! By the way, this is all sound effects of the game. I'm not actually saying bzz, bzz right now. That's the game. I go into the stream of random slime and space people and participate in their chat. I go into the stream of random slime and space people. That doesn't even make sense to me. Am I illiterate? I think I'm illiterate. That doesn't even make sense to me for some reason. Alright, I have the maximum domain expansion now. Look how OP I am. Look how powerful my domain is. Holy shit. Wait until you get to the boss. There is a boss in this game, by the way. There is a boss in this game. We haven't gotten to the boss yet. Wait until the difficulty goes up a bit. There is a boss that shows up later. Where's the boss? There should be a boss coming sometime soon. I don't remember when the boss comes, but there should be a boss. Let me upgrade my slime again. Now my slime is bigger and bounces around faster. Typing is hard. Typing is quite hard. That is true. I'm not very good at typing. I need to level up. Oh my god, why is this so... I swear to god, this game is so loud. Who the fuck made this stupid-ass game? I've gotten powerful enough to just stay in one spot and just wait for the... Just letting the EXP come in now. I'm just waiting for the EXP to come in. I'm just letting the EXP come to me right now. As I just wait. Yeah, having 3 big fingers makes it kind of hard for me. Do you not have, like, a specialized alien keyboard? Like, or do you use a human keyboard, you know? Slime made an... Oh, what the fuck? I wasn't paying attention. I got killed by the boss. God fucking... I got killed by the boss because I wasn't paying attention. Are you fucking kidding me? I actually got killed... I really want to try doing this again, but the thing is, I would waste so much time if I would do this. God, I got killed by the fucking boss. Are you kidding me? I wasn't paying attention. I got killed by the fucking boss because it spawned out of nowhere. I'm attempting to hack into my old PS4 account. Slime got... Should I... This is the boss. I'm pretty sure that I have like 3 different bosses, I think. I think the difficulty goes up to like 1,000 or something. Do you guys want to see me play again, or should I just go back to doing Godot? should I try again? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Anyways, That game's not working anymore now. Game's not working. What do I do here? I have an error in my code. That's not good. Circular clump of shit, long wiener shit, short bloody shit. The 3 bosses of Slime's game. Slime got killed by a Giga Blue alien. What are you trying to make me say? What are you trying to make me say, blue alien? Blue alien, what are you trying to make me say, bro? Bro, what are you trying to make me say? What are you trying to make me say, by chance? By chance? Hmm. 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 Okay, how do I fix this? I need to remove item. I need to remove the selected item. That's literally his name. I can't say it since I am Blue Alien. Jerry, it is your response. Please do not spam the N-word in my chat. I would appreciate it if you guys did not spam the N-word in my chat. Personally, I prefer you guys not do that. I would prefer you guys not spam the N-word in my chat, please. I would very, very much prefer you guys don't do that. Deselect all. Okay, I don't know what I should do now. For some reason, I'm getting an error, so, yeah, I'm getting an error. Item list dot deselect all. I'm going to select all the items. I'm going to set the item description to nothing. God, Nutty Buddy, do not make me. Perfect clip. I don't know what's going on. I don't want to get banned today, so like I'm just gonna refrain from reading chat here because I do not want to be banned. Remove item. Yeah, I removed item. I don't know why this isn't working. What the fuck? What is going on? I removed item. Why is this not working? I'm just searching this up real quick. Give me a sec, guys. I'm searching this up. Remove item. I removed item. Why does this not work? Removes the item specified by the IDX. Huh. So why does it crash the game? I can remove the item gets removed, but for some reason, it just doesn't work here, which is bad. Let me try this again then, I guess. Let's go gather some cheese. Let me eat this cheese. I ate the cheese, and when I click on it, it's gone. Invalid access to property or key description on base. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. No, I'm releasing. I thought that maybe it wasn't being removed from the array, but it is. It literally is. It's being erased from the array, so... let me figure this out. What is going on? Dot remove, dot clear, dot erase, dot front, dot insert, dot pop, dot push, dot shuffle, dot Huh. Why is there it's for testing purposes. It's for testing purposes, Blue Alien. I won't normally add randomly naturally spawning cheese. I'm doing that for testing purposes. I'm doing that purely for testing purposes. That is just for testing purposes. Nothing more, alright? Nothing more. Just for testing purposes. Yeah, I'm gonna print selected item. Selected. I'm gonna print that out. I want to see what it says, maybe. There's cheese in nature as well. It falls from the moon, but the government steals it all? I don't know, man. I have some cheese in my fridge. What do you mean the government steals it all? There's some in my fridge. There's literally some in my fridge, man. There's some in my fridge. What are you talking about? What is this conspiracy you are speaking of? Okay, what is happening? What is happening here? Why is this not working? What the fuck? What the fuck? But you bought it, you sheep? What do you mean? I made it. I made it. I made the milk. I made the milk myself and then turned it into cheese. I made my own milk and made my own cheese. My own homemade slime cheese, okay? Homemade slime cheese, alright? What are you talking about? It's my homemade slime cheese. God fucking damn, what is going on? Why is this crashing? Don't know what's going on, but indie games for life, yay. I do love me some indie games. Hello, welcome to the stream, Lover the Jester. You joined at quite a weird time, but I am working on a very bad indie game right now. It looks really bad, and I'm working on an inventory system, and for some reason, it doesn't work. For some reason, it is incredibly difficult to make an inventory system. Um... Loker, the Chester, is about to get traumatized. I don't know, man. Okay, I am for some reason, I keep getting errors. I don't know why, I'm getting errors every time I run. I'm getting errors, basically. Who said making games was easy? It's not easy, but I wish I wasn't so bad at it, you know? I wish I wasn't so bad at it. You ate it doesn't work. Let me show you what happens. Let me show you the error. The thing is, for some reason, I'm getting an error, and I don't know why. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So, I eat this cheese. Well, not eat. Okay, I pick this. I press use. So if I press use on the second cheese, I use this. And then when I press on the second again, it crashes. It crashes here. See, the game crashed. See, it crashed. It says invalid access to description. Even though it should be removed. I don't know why it's like, I'm pretty sure that all of the values in the array should be shifted to the left. So I don't know what's wrong. It's torture, not easy. Chuckle wants one as well. Wait, make a milkshake in the game. I will add more features to the game once I actually figure out how to get this game working, okay? Like, right now, I'm just trying to figure out how to do the basics. I'm not gonna add, like, fucking milkshake until I figure out how to add an inventory system. It's useless if I don't have an inventory system. Alright, you know? So I gotta figure out how this works. I'm getting an error here. That's the problem. I'm getting a fucking error, even though this should be working. Just saying. Listen, I'll add milk and whatever, you know, whatever it is that you guys want. I'll add it eventually when I actually get this game dev to work, you know, when I actually get this to work. If... Okay, erased should move all of the thing. Why does this not fucking work? So this removes the item, but it also shifts the entire array, so... Huh. What is wrong then? What could their issue be? Huh. Let me try printing index, maybe? Try printing index. Oh, okay, gotta go. Everyone here must have a good day. This is coming from a Blue Alien. You have a good day, Blue Alien. Have a good day. What if you... I feel like it would be better if I deleted the item. Because what if you have like a million items in your inventory? You're gonna need to delete it, right? So I think you should delete the item. You know, I think you should delete the item. I think the item should be deleted. I think it's a bad idea to just make it invisible. To be fair, I did make my world invisible, so I guess fair point, but I don't think I should do it that way because I still need to remove it from my inventory. It needs to be removed. So what happens if I press that? That's 3. I don't know what the issue here is. I just wish I knew what the issue is. Like, I know what the issue is. I wish I knew what was causing it, you know? If I knew what was causing it, I would be able to solve it. But because of the fact I don't know what's causing it, remove item. Selected. Huh. Okay, so this removes the item from the item list. I know that. This removes the actual item. This shifts the array. This sets the... I'm going to put this at the end, because that's something I don't need to worry about for now. Huh. Huh. I'm gonna set the item quantity to 1, maybe? ID item type. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna set this to consumable. I'm gonna set that to consumable real quick. Let me test this again, maybe? I'm just doing some tests right now, just to see how this, see what's wrong here. Okay, this should heal me when I use it. Oh my god, it doesn't even work. Oh, heal hungry. I fucking typed heal hungry for some reason. Let me, try that again. The life of a game dev, you know, just issues over issues, you know. I wonder if this is how most game developers make games, just like issues after issues, man. I can't tell if it's just me, or if this just happens a lot. Like, I know there are definitely bugs and stuff, but I don't know if it happens as frequently as me, and as cluelessly as me. Heal hunger. Is there no heal hunger? Wait, what was the function? Okay, I didn't have a heal hunger. I forgot to add heal hunger for some reason. Why the fuck did I not add heal hunger? Why did I not do that? Okay, heal hunger. I'm gonna add a heal hunger ability. Hunger equals amount, and then hunger, hunger, max hunger. Max hunger here. Max hunger. And then max hunger. There we go. That should work. Now I just need to figure out the other issue of why it crashed or whatever, you know. I need to figure out why it crashes. Let me run this again. Play. Okay. Let's play this and see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm collecting some cheese. I'm gonna run again so I can make sure that I'm out of stamina. Okay, that does heal the stamina. Good, that heals the stamina. And my game is still crashing. Fantastic. What the fuck? Why? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? I don't know. Fucking hell, why is this actually happening? I swear to God, it should be shifting everything over. You know what? I'm gonna make this a comment, and then I'm gonna print index. I'm gonna print the index. I want to see what prints. I'm gonna print it just so I can see what's going on here. I want to see what's going on. Just so I can see what is going on. I'm gonna print that. And then I'm gonna just print this here as well. Just so I can see what is happening, you know? Just so I can see what is happening. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna make sure to fix this. I'm gonna fix this by today. I don't think it's that big of an error, so I'm gonna fix this by today. Use. Oh, wait, fuck. Okay, I accidentally pressed use. I didn't mean to press use there. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna fix this issue. I gotta stay optimistic, you know. I gotta stay optimistic. I'm gonna gather these cheeses here. Gonna pick some cheeses. Picking these cheeses off the ground. So that's 2 and 1. So this is, I should be 1. Yeah, that's 1. 1 again, 1. That should just be 1. Yeah, let me use that. That is also 1. That's 2. I use 2. And then I press 1 again. And then I use... And it fucking crashes! Why? Why? What the fuck is wrong? I don't know what the fuck is wrong. Is something wrong with my inventory? Inventory... .erase. Should shift everything over. That's what it says here. It says, removes the first occurrence of value from the array. A value does not exist in the array. Nothing happens. Huh. Wait. array. Let me read the array on the what's it called? I'm gonna read the Godot engine documentation here. I'm gonna read this to make sure I know what I'm doing here because I pressed oh, okay. Let me try remove at. Maybe remove at will work better. Dot remove at. Remove at. I think that works better. I think remove at works better. Let's try that. Let's try remove at. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna see if that works. You guys aren't gonna see anything because I'm not putting it on screen because I'm too lazy to put it on screen unless I make some progress. Use. Oh, it works! It fucking works! Oh, I literally just said it works and then it immediately stopped working. What? Huh. Let's try this again. I think I tried pressing use while... Okay, I tried pressing use while it was empty. That's why it didn't work. If selected 0 isn't equals null. If it is equals null, then it just returns, I guess. If it equals null, then it returns. If it equals null, it returns. I could just exit out. Okay. Let me just try that. Oh, wait. What the fuck? Why did I put square brackets? Why the fuck did I put square brackets there? I do not know why I put square brackets. I meant to put normal bracket. Or, whatever. I'm not even going to put brackets. Who needs brackets nowadays? Brackets for losers, you know? Brackets for losers. No one actually uses brackets nowadays. So let's see if this works. I am hoping that this works. Hoping that this works, you know, hoping. Let's go find some cheese here. This is a very delicious, succulent cheese. Even in the description, it says a very delicious block of cheese. That's how you know it's delicious. You know it's delicious when the block of cheese tells you it's delicious. Very delicious, I tell you. Very, very delicious. Okay. Use. It didn't crash. Okay. I can use this again. Use this again. Use this again. And oh, fuck. That still crashed. If selected equals null. Let me try this again then. Because I think my selected function is, null. Let me try this again. Try this again here. Yep, it's still, crashing. Okay, I'm gonna do something else then. Let me check. Item list. Let me check the item list. Item list. How do I check if there are any items in the item list? I'm pretty sure there is a function that tells me if there are any items. Set item selectable. Select. Is item selectable? Is anything selected? Oh yeah, okay, I think I should do is item selected. If there is a selected item, then it will give us something. Is anything selected? If nothing is selected, then it will return. Okay. Let me put this at the very beginning. If not item list dot is anything selected, then we return. There we go. This should ideally fix our problem. This should fix our problem. Ideally, you know, ideally. Oh, okay, it seems to work. It seems to work. Let me show it on screen. Let me show this on screen here. This is such a simple, like, bug, but for some reason, I'm so proud of it. So I'm pressing use now. I'm pressing use, and no crashes. No crashes. Okay, I didn't do that for equip yet. I need to put that in equip. Wait, let me put this here in equipped. Let me put this in equipped. I also need to put it on drop item as well. Let me put this on drop item. Let me put this on drop item. That way, if I press any of the buttons while nothing's selected, it still doesn't crash the game, basically. Let's try this again. Next, after this, I need to make it so item stack. Item stacking is next on my list. Next on my list is item stacking. I also want to add, like, item sorting. I want to make it so you can sort items by, like, consumables and, like, by your equipment, because there's gonna be a lot of things I want to do. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do this, this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So happy. So much cheese. So much cheese. So much cheese. Cheesers, Weezers. Now there we go. Okay. Okay. You know, this is actually going decently well. Decently well. I also want to add a hot bar as well. I want to add a hot bar, but that might be a little bit annoying to do because you know, it's a hot bar, you know. Hot bars are always annoying. Are the Dorses pooping? No, they're not. Unfortunately, they are just randomly spawning. They are not being pooped out by the Dorses. They are just, they're just summoning. They're being spawned in randomly. They're not being pooped out. These are not poop, okay? I would not be eating poop. This is not poop. I am not a poop eater. This isn't 2 girls, 1 cup, okay? I ain't eating poop. Alright? This ain't poop. Well, maybe it is. Maybe I like eating poop. I don't know. I haven't tried eating poop before. Who knows? Actually, everyone always talks about how poop tastes bad. But have you ever tried eating poop? Do you know how poop tastes like? Like, do we know for sure? Have we tried it? I mean, it smells bad, but do we know if it tastes bad? You know, these are the questions that we should be asking. You know, these are the questions that we should be asking. Okay. Item stacking. We gotta check for item stacking now. Okay, let me figure out how to add item stacking. I do not know how I want to add item stacking. So I'm assuming I just want to add the quantity, like increase the quantity. My brain hurts. I'ma leave. Good luck. Have a good day, man. Have a good day. I appreciate you joining, man. Have a good day. Get item at position. Get, is item disabled, is selected. I want to check if the item already exists in my inventory. How would I do that? So I'm trying to look through the methods and see if they have any, like, if item already exists. Get anything deselected. Get item icon transposed is selected. Yada yada. Select. I don't know how to check if something already exists. Huh. 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 Let me check the array documentation here. Let me check the array documentation. Let me see. Maybe there's a method called search find. Okay, let me try find. Let me try find. Okay, let me try the find function. The search can be specified from. Okay, let's try the find method, because apparently there's a find method in. Thing is, I don't know if find works with nodes or not, because right now I'm not using strings or anything. I'm using what's it called? I'm using like an actual like node as the instance or whatever. So I don't know if this will count as being the same or not. That's the issue that I have. So let me see though. Let me see. We'll try it out and see if this works. I'm gonna close this because I already finished that function. What the hell? What did I press? Let me close this. Let me just remove some empty spaces. Add items. Okay. Let me check if there are any. Find. So we're going to do inventory.find, I think. Inventory.find item. Inventory.find item. Okay, I'm going to do that. Var item var search. Okay, let me do var search. If search equals -1, that means it hasn't found the item yet. Then we're gonna do that. Hello, my beloved. Where is the thing? What thing are you talking about, Yasiel? Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Where you are you talking about the milking stream? Are you talking about where is the milking stream? Is that what you're asking for? Because there's cheese in my game now. Are you satisfied? Do you like cheese by any chance, Yasiel? Do you like cheese? Do you like cheese, Yasiel? Do you like cheese? Do you like cheese? Because I have good news if you like cheese. If you like cheese, I have very good news. Very, very good news. I have made it so you can eat cheese in this game now. Yum, yum, yum. Look how delicious this is. Are you happy? Look, we can eat cheese. Holy shit. This is groundbreaking. This is a technological advancement. A fucking technological advancement, I tell you. A technological advancement. And I'm literally still just a floating pair of arms, by the way. I'm still just a floating pair of arms. Which is kind of funny. Cheese is ambrosia sent by the gods, but it is not a. For now, you're just gonna have to make do with cheese. Okay, this is a cheese stream. Are you happy with cheese stream? Cheese is basically just milk, but like expired milk or whatever, fermented milk or whatever. I don't know what the process is called, but cheese is literally just milk with extra steps. Like milk, cheese is milk but evolved. It is the evolved form of milk. Okay, you should be happy with a cheese stream, okay? This is the very delicious cheese string. Cheese stream. I said cheese string there for a sec. I meant cheese stream. Look at that. So much cheese. Look at it. You could just eat the cheese. Eat the fucking cheese, man. Eat the fucking cheese. Yeah, look at that fucking cheese, bro. Look at that fucking cheese. You can also kill these animals as well. You can do animal abuse. I love animal abuse. Ugh. Come back here so I can beat the shit out of you. Come back! I'm gonna beat the shit out. Fucking hell, I'm out of stamina. I'm gonna have to use some of my cheeses to beat the shit out of these guys. Ugh. I'm out of stamina. These cheeses do not give me much stamina. But yeah, okay, that doesn't work. Wait, does it work? Okay, that does. Wait, I forgot to. Wait. Okay, does this work? I don't think that worked. I don't think that worked. I do not think that worked. So if search equals -1, I print search. I don't think that worked. I don't think search worked because I don't think nodes. I think the nodes are stored in different locations. I don't think they count as the same. So Battle Tommy, I might be back. Hello, Battle Tommy. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I hope you like cheese. Do you like cheese, Battle Tommy? Do you like cheese? Because if you do, I have very good news. I have very, very good news to you. Do you like cheese, Battle Tommy? Do you like cheese? How is everyone? I am doing good today. I'm actually doing pretty decently. I'm doing better than I did yesterday, I'll say that. So I'm less tired and I had less of a bad day than I did. You hate cheese. Battle Tommy. This is your worst day ever. This is literally your worst day ever. This is a dedicated cheese stream. Today we are celebrating the thing that you hate most. Cheese. We are celebrating your hated cheese stream. I apologize. We are celebrating your cheese. We're celebrating the hated cheese stream. Like literally, I hate cheese only. Is this mozzarella? Is this? I can't tell if this is mozzarella or not. Is this mozzarella? Is this mozzarella? I don't know if it is because I don't know my cheese terminologies. Okay, I do not know my cheese terminologies, but I don't think this is mozzarella. How could you hate cheese anyways? Cheese is literally like one of the best things to put in stuff. Like cheese pizza. Like imagine eating a pizza without cheese, or like. I don't know. Does not look like mozzarella. Like, how do you eat pizza then? How do you like? Does pizza use mozzarella? I don't even know. But like, how do you eat pizza if you don't like cheese, man? Like, what about grilled cheese? Have you ever had grilled cheese? Like, I'm gonna add grilled cheese to this game, man. I'm gonna add grilled cheese. Grilled cheese is so fucking delicious. I love. How do you not like cheese? Hello, Bubba Boogs. How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. I'm doing more game dev today. I'm making an inventory system right now. I'm making an inventory system and I'm trying. Oh, you added an inventory? Yes, I am working on an inventory system. Right now, it works. The inventory system works. However, I'm trying to add a feature where the items stack. And it's not going well so far, so I'm trying to make it stack. It works. I can eat the cheese. If you look at my stamina here, and then if I press use, I eat the cheese, and that works. I can now eat cheese. This is the dedicated cheese stream. So if you're like Battle Tommy and you don't like cheese, then I don't know, sucks to be you, because this is the dedicated cheese stream. Gonna be lots of cheese from here on out. Also, if you never had a grilled cheese before, you should. They're good. I like grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese. Grilled cheese is like one of my favorite unhealthy foods, okay? They're easy to make. They're pretty damn good. And I love getting fat from eating cheese. Also, hello, Mr. Zach Cowardly. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I'm going around eating cheese off the ground and killing animals. I want to fuck... You know what? Same, man. Same. I agree. Man. Cheese is awesome. But yeah, I need to figure out how to make items stack. Because literally, I don't want to have a million cheese in my inventory. If I want to have a million cheese in my inventory, I want my items to stack. My items don't stack right now. And so I literally just have a bunch of cheese in my inventory. Like, I'm stuffed full of cheese. I played Skyrim before, and I've gotten lots of, like, cheese wheels. But the cheese wheels stack. I need to get my items to stack. Not like a million cheeses in my inventory. That is very annoying. So, yeah. Wait. Should I... wait. What the fuck? that creature just went inside of me there for a sec. Also, hello, Nashtigal. Hey, man. Been a while. How's it doing, man? How you doing? Hope you're having a good day, man. It has been a while. It's been like, what, a month since you joined my stream? I don't remember. It's been like a month or so, or it's been like 2 weeks. I don't remember. It's been a while though. I'm really not in a good mood right now. Also, hello, welcome to the stream, Remnai. Do you want me to ask why your day is not good? Add a label node to the inventory slot. For what? What are you trying to make me add it? Is that for what are you trying to make me add a label for? Because right now I need to make it stack. I need to figure out how to search through the entire algorithm, like the entire list of. I could just manually do like a for loop, but I feel like that's a bit inefficient. Like I feel like there's a better way to do it than just like having a for loop. Because if I have to do what if I have a really big inventory? What if my inventory is really big? Then I would have to search through every single item to keep track of how many. I have a quantity. I will add that eventually. I just need to figure out how to get them to stack first. I will add what's it called? It will display how many cheese is left. It will display. But right now, I need to figure out how to get it to stack. It does automatically increase the item quantity. I need to figure out how to get it to stack, though. Put a fucking sex toy in the game? Listen, I gotta figure out people keep requesting me add things. I gotta figure out how to get the basics first here. I need to figure out how to get the stack. I guess I could just loop over the entire thing. But that feels really inefficient, like really, really inefficient. And I can't use this find function because it's an array of nodes. It's an array of cheese nodes. So I can't use a find because the variable nodes are stored as a reference to an address in memory, I think. I learned about memory addresses in fucking Java or whatever. So I know the basics of it. Put a robber into the game that just steals your. That is a good idea. I will add bandits to the game. I will add like random events and bandits to the game. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I will do that once I figure out how to actually get my inventory working. Once I get my inventory working. I guess I could just loop through the entire inventory. I could just do that. I mean, I think that's the only option that I have. I don't think I have any other options, do I? I literally don't think I have any other options. Because, yeah. I'm looking through the array documentations, and they have a search function. But the thing is, it only search for the actual value. Uh, for a for loop shouldn't be too inefficient. Computers are made to handle. Are they like? I don't know. I've been kind of paranoid. I've been very paranoid about optimization lately because you know, I'm very concerned about optimization. I don't like the thing is I'm still inexperienced, so I don't know what causes major optimization problems and what doesn't. But I guess I'll just do a for loop for now. I will do a for loop for now. Yeah. In inventory is in inv equals false for now. I'm gonna set this to false. Then I'm gonna loop through the entire inventory. I guess I'm gonna loop through the entire inventory and search if the item exists. If it exists, then it will increase the quantity. Bro is more paranoid than Stalin the last 10 years before. I don't know that reference. I know who Stalin is. Wasn't he like an evil dictator or something? But I don't know why he was paranoid or something, but alright. But listen, I have a good reason to be paranoid. I kept getting free. Listen, I spent a solid 2 to 3 streams optimizing my like world generation for my game, only for it to still have frame drops, and I still don't know why. And I haven't fixed it since, and it happens inconsistently too. So I cannot replicate the issue. So I'm very, very paranoid about optimization. I am very, very paranoid about optimization because I keep having issues with it. You know, I mean, it makes sense. I'm making an open world game, so it does make sense. I guess it's my fault for making an open world game. You know, my ambitions were too high. You know, like Icarus or whatever, the guy who like flew too close to the sun. That's me. I flew too close to the sun by trying to make an open world game. But honestly, I think I've been doing relatively well. You know, I have an open world. You know. He was an evil dictator. He was very paranoid in the last years of his life. I mean, that makes sense. When you're an evil dictator, people tend to, like, conspire against you. Okay, we're going to do a for loop. For x in inventory dot length. Dot length. I'm going to pass this for now. Should it be inventory dot length minus 1? Is there this dot size? Is it dot size or dot length? I forgot. I think, should I do inventory dot size minus 1? Because, I think I should do minus 1, right? I think I have to do this minus 1. He had multiple of his doctors executed because he thought he would try to kill them. Kill him. And also he had all Jewish people exported to Siberia or had them executed. Listen, I don't know much about Stalin, but he seems like a bad guy, you know? He seems like a pretty bad guy. But I mean, it makes sense why he would be paranoid. He is an evil dictator, you know? I mean, it sounds like he is. I don't imagine him being a hero or anything. He does sound pretty evil. Okay, let's just do this. Let's see. Inventory dot x dot item name. Item name, right? Item name, yeah. Item name. If inventory dot item name equals if item name equals item dot name if this has an item name, then inventory x dot item quantity plus. All right. Can I not wait? Plus equals 1? Can I not do plus? Godot doesn't have plus? What? Is that just a Java, or is that a Java C? Did it not? Okay, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't have that. And then once it has the once it adds that, it's gonna just return. He also hated Germans during World War II because Hitler betrayed him and had all Germans living. You are really dropping me a history lesson in my chat right now. Godot is just weird sometimes. Like, Godot has a lot of convenient things. Like, the fact that you don't have to put brackets and you can just, like, say X in something. And, like, you don't, like, it's very convenient. There's so much convenient syntaxes. But then the fact that you can't do plus plus, it's like, I feels like that would be the first thing you add, you know? It's like, you don't have to do plus equals 1. I mean, it's not a major issue or anything. It's nothing important. But, you know, you would expect it to have, like, something simple, something basic, like plus plus or whatever. I mean, to be fair, this is Godot, not C++, you know? History's... Listen, I am one of the people who hates history. I am one of the people who does not believe in history. Well, that sounds like a bad idea. That sounds like a bad thing. I believe in history. I believe history is real. But I'm one of the people who thinks that I don't care about history. Like what I do... I don't really care that much about history, man. I don't really care about history. So, I'm just one of those people who does not care about history. I mean, yeah. Okay, I think I got my thing to work, though. I think I got my thing to work. I did a basic loop function, a for loop, whatever. Now I just need to put the quantity label. Quantity. I'm going to put a quantity label here. I'm going to set this up here. I'm going to move this down a bit. Okay, I'm going to set the quantity up here. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Let me, update description. Let me do quantity. Let me put this here. Quantity. There we go. Quantity. Also, I'll have my wisdom teeth removed next week, which will mean pain and suffering for the rest of the week. Yay. I could have sworn Nutty Buddy said he also had his wisdom teeth removed. You guys both are having your wisdom teeth, like, removed at a really, like, close time, like, within a week. Did you guys, like, plan to have your wisdom teeth removed at the same time or something? It's kind of funny. I guess, well, to be fair, it's not very funny, but it sounds painful, actually. It doesn't sound very funny. It sounds more painful than anything, but, you know, good luck. Good luck, you know. Don't die. I mean, to be fair, Nutty Buddy survived. He didn't die or anything, so that's good for him, you know? That's good for him. But, okay. This seems to work. Okay, nice. Nutty Buddy had them removed. Yes, it's funny. Is it funny how you guys are in pain? Do I find other people in pain funny? The answer is yes. So yes, it is very funny. Okay, let's see how this works. Let me see. Let's see how this works, guys. Let's see. So right now, it crashes. Fan-fucking-tastic. What the oh, I need to do item quantity. Shit, why do I keep doing, I keep misspelling the thing for some reason. Keep fucking misspelling it. It's item quantity, not just quantity. I keep misspelling the most basic of shit. I need to go back to preschool and learn to spell. I need to go back to the preschool and learn to spell, you know. For some reason, I can't fucking spell. Of course you find it funny, which is why you keep telling me to talk to my... Have you done that yet? Have you talked to her yet? You should go do it, you know. You should go do it. You know, have you done it yet? Why does this keep crashing? Oh, wait, this is an... How do I turn an int into a string again? Or, how do I turn it into a string? Godot turn into string. Does Godot not automatically do that? It's so dumb, because I think in Java, it automatically turns a string... Yeah, okay, I just searched it up, but I don't know why. I'm starting to realize Godot has many things where, like, it's very... Godot is very convenient. It has so many nice and convenient syntax, yet it doesn't really do that for us. Like, I think Java does it for us. Like, in Java, I've been using Java lately, so I know when if you try to print out a statement that's what's it called, a an integer, it automatically turns into a string for you or whatever. It prints it out perfectly fine. So that's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Um. Anyways, I got the cheese working. 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 I got the cheese twerking. It is twerking. All right. Put in Swiper from Dora, who can steal your items from inventory unless you shoot them and murder them. Damn. Damn. That's kind of cold, bro. That's kind of cold. You want to murder Swiper from Dora? Jeez. Can we all just like be concerned for Minnie's mental health for a sec? That is it's kind of fucked up, bro. Like, jeez. Man, have you gone to a therapist, man? Have you gone to a therapist? Are you okay? Is something going on with your life? Do you need to talk to someone? Anyways, yeah, I will add bandits to the game. I will add bandits and shit. I will add like bandits who will steal your items. He'll also steal your anal virginity while you're sleeping as well. Let me set this to description and quantity to 0. When wait, what? Okay. Huh. I'm gonna create a function called set description. Func set description. Set description. If I can actually fucking spell. Did you know you got okay, try spelling therapist both a space in between the E and the R. Yeah, skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet is all I have to say. Skibbity toilet is all I have to say. Des Quan. Des and Quan. There we go. Des and Quan. Juan. Guys, next week my gas masses should arrive. You really like gas masses, huh? You really like gas masses. That's kind of cool. You have your hobbies and stuff. You know, you have your hobbies. That's pretty cool. You know, that's pretty cool. That's cool how you have hobbies, unlike me. Just kidding. I have hobbies. I play video games. Does playing video games count as a hobby? It's a hobby, right? I play video games. That's a hobby, right? That's a hobby. My profile is a gas mask. Of course I like them. I mean, that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. I like many things, too. I like playing video games. I like having video games. I like video games, you know. For some reason, my life revolves around video games a lot. My life just revolves around video games. I'm a real gamer, man. I'm a real gamer. What can I say? I'm a real fucking gamer. I like cheat... Mr. Zach Howard, that is incredibly based. Incredibly based. That is incredibly based. That is very good. I agree, man. I agree. I love cheese, too. Aside from video games, I like cheese. Cheese is good. Who doesn't like cheese, man? Who doesn't like cheese? Yeah, who doesn't like cheese? Let me do inventory. I'm just doing some basic quality of life polishing right now for my inventory. Where, huh? Wait, where's the tab? Where's tab? Process. Okay, press if tab. Okay, here it is. I didn't need to do anything fancy. Playing video games is as much of a hobby as masturbation. I mean, from time to time, it's okay, especially with friends, but I don't find much joy in it anymore. That is a very interesting analogy, but I see. For me, I still enjoy video games. Honestly, video games is one of my motivations in life. Like, honestly, I don't know what I would be doing with my life without video games. Video games is my, like, biggest source of, like, entertainment, honestly. Almost everything that I enjoy involves video games. Like, aside from, like, reading manga and novels and stuff, like, video games is like one of my biggest source of motivation in life. I know that sounds very cringe and very like no life, but honestly, that is how it is for me. I like video games, so yeah, I love video games. Yeah, video games are cool. Anyways, I'm going to just what was I gonna do? Deselect all. That's what I was gonna do. This way, once I close my inventory, so this basically makes it so once I close my inventory, it gets rid of the description and it deselects everything. That's just for a little convenience sake. If I didn't have video games, I would have been a straight A student and might have actually gotten to a better point in my life. But the thing is, I agree. Like, if I didn't play video games, I might. But the thing is, for me, it's actually different for me. Video games motivate me to study better. I'm not gonna study if I'm not having fun. Like when I studied in school, I always played video games as I studied. You know, I always played video games as I studied. Like I never like studied. I sucked at studying. Okay, I wasn't very good at studying. Playing video games was one of the things I did to help me. You know, I got a 55 on one of the midterms last week. Well, at least you passed, bro. At least you passed, you know. At least you passed. And got 40% on a quiz? Quizzes aren't that important, right? Quizzes aren't that important, you know. Quizzes aren't that important. I'm sure you'll do better next time. I'm sure you'll do better next time, bro. I'm sure you'll do better next time. Anyways, let me go find some cheese. There's an awful lack of cheese around here. Okay, there we go. Once I close my inventory, it deselects everything. Are you going to add more animals? No, there's only going to be one animal in this entire game. There's only going to be one edible item as well. There's only going to be cheese. Add the cheeseosaur. Video games, like I said, everyone is different. So, like, I get why people wouldn't like video games. I get why people don't care about video games. But for me, video games is very important. Like, unironically, it's one of the things that's keeping me alive. Like, genuinely, probably would have killed myself if I didn't have video games in my life, man. They give me happy hormones because I don't have many other things that give them to me in the winter time. Like, everyone's different, man. Everyone's different. Everyone is different, you know? Video games for me is just something that's very valuable and very precious to me, you know? I will always treasure video games. I appreciate video games a lot. But, yeah. I got an inventory. Let's go! I got an inventory I can use. Now. Yeah, everyone is different. Yeah, everyone is different. But, yeah. Yeah. Bruh, YouTube didn't notify me of the last stream. Hello, starts with K. It's been a while. It's been like, what, 2 to 3 weeks since I last streamed and you were here or something? How you doing, man? Hope you're having a good day. I'm continuing my game dev journey here, where I added an inventory system, and you can eat cheese! Cheese, baby! Cheese! Cheeseosaurus. Where's Garrett? Garrett was here earlier, and then he left. I don't know where he is. He probably went to go eat cheese, of course. You probably went to go eat cheese, because cheese is very good. Garrett would love the cheese. Yes, cheese is great, man. Cheese is great. Yeah, we have cheese. We have cheese, guys. We have cheese. Now we have a stackable cheese. Cheese. Oh, Garrett says here he was like AFK in my chat this entire time or something. But we have cheese. We have animals. Things could not be better, man. We have cheese. We have animals, and we could fuck them too. We can like look at me humping this whole. Watch as I hump this creature. Give me a sec. Watch as I hump them. Watch as I hump this thing. Look at that. Oh. Look at me hump this thing. Oh, I humped it so hard it died. Yeah, look at that. I fucked it so hard it died. It couldn't handle my thrusting power. And it just straight up died. Look at me thrusting. Wait. Thrusting. Thrusting. I think they need better. I'm like... I'm not gonna do that because it's way too complicated. Like, I could do that, But it's way too complicated. I gave them like very basic AI. Like they just randomly move. I'm not gonna give them like really complicated AI because I don't know how to do that. I don't want to like set the bar too high. I'm not gonna set the bar. I don't care. They're animals. Animals are dumb. Okay, humans are dumb too. They walk into walls all the time. I don't care if they walk into walls. It's fine, you know. It's fine. I don't need to worry about it too much. I'm perfectly fine with that. Fun fact, many Asian people are lactose intolerant, which is why cheese is not that widely available there. I will move to Why do you hate cheese, Battle Tommy? Did you figure out the fading in effect? No, I did not. Like, I will focus on visuals and making things look good at the end. Once I'm done everything, I'm gonna focus on that later. For now, I don't care. I don't care about the terrain fading in. I'm gonna focus on that another time. Like, for now, I just want to get everything working. I want to get everything working so I can actually have a game to play, you know? Like, right now, this isn't a game. This is just walking simulator. This is literally just walking simulator, you know? This is walking simulator. I hate the smell. I hate the taste. I hate the texture. Bro, what about pizza? Battle Tommy, do you like pizza? Have you eaten pizza? Surely you've eaten pizza before. Right? Surely you've eaten pizza. Surely you've eaten fucking pizza, right? There's also a dungeon as well. I have not focused on the dungeon at all. I completely forgot that I had a dungeon in this game. Like, literally, I haven't visited the dungeon at all. There is a dungeon in this game. No one seems to know that there's a dungeon in this game, but there is. There's a dungeon. There's nothing in the dungeon because, it's empty, and I have not implemented the features to summon enemies yet, but there is a dungeon. And, you can be in the dungeon. I forgot to add more mechanics to my dungeon. I'll leave the dungeon mechanics for when I actually have a combat system working, you know? Yeah. But, let's see. I've eaten pizza, but I like Bro, imagine eating pizza without cheese. Imagine eating pizza without fucking cheese. That would be atrocious. That would actually be atrocious. Yeah, cheese is amazing. We should all listen to Mr. Zach Howardly. Mr. Zach Howardly would never lie. He is the perfect human being. His taste is objective. The objective opinion. Mr. Zach has the objective opinion. That is why when he says cheese is life, we should all agree. Yeah. Shawarma doner kebab is the best thing ever invented. I don't know, man. I think I've only eaten... Wait, what are those again? I think I've eaten those before, but I forgot. Let me search up shawarma real quick. Shawarma. Yeah, I've had those. I still prefer cheese, you know. I still prefer cheese. You know what I really like? Have you ever had an empanada? I had these empanadas the other day, like really cheap empanadas. Like there were cheap empanadas, and they were really good for cheap empanadas. Like you could buy like 5 for $10. 5 empanadas for $10, and they were fucking delicious, man. And they came with amazing sauce too. I never had empanada. What's an EpiPen? I don't know why you brought up EpiPen, but alright. I don't know what it is. You killed my dog? Listen, I've killed so many dogs. I don't know which one you're talking about, okay? I've killed off so many. I don't know which one you're referring to. You know what? You want me to see a kill? You want to see me kill a dog right now? I'll show you me killing a dog, EO Flash. See this? This is a dog. This is a wild... Okay, it's a bit too big. Actually, let me turn down the scale of the dog. Let me make the dog look more like a dog. Right now, it doesn't look like a dog. I'm going to turn it down so it actually looks like a dog. So I can show you guys me killing a dog. Now, let me turn it down so it actually looks like a dog. And then I'm going to show you me killing a dog. Yeah, this is live... on stream, animal abuse. This is animal abuse on stream. Where are the dogs at? Where are the dogs? Where all the dogs go? There it is. There's the dog. I'm gonna fucking beat the come here, you fucking little canine creature. I'm gonna fuck this dog. Yeah. You happy with that, huh? You little punk? Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna turn that back because that's way too small. I think that's way too small. I don't know. I'm trying to type what you said. Empanada. Empanada is a food. An empanada is a food. So evil. Listen, you guys have. If you think that's evil, you ain't ready for what I'm about to do, man. You ain't ready for what things I've done before. If you think that's evil, yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. That's all I'm saying, man. That's all I'm saying. Um. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to this. What was I gonna do again? Right, I was gonna implement like the drop feature. Um, Fun fact about myself, I was once chasing behind one of my grandmother's pigs and grabbed it by the legs. It dragged me through the shit for a few seconds. It was made sausages the same day. Bro got revenge on that pig. He got revenge on the fucking pig. Um, Empanadas are stuffed pastries similar to samosas are so fucking good, man. My nose feels kind of stuffed for some reason. Samosas are so. I have not eaten a samosa in so fucking long. I gotta go find a samosa and eat one someday. It's been a while since I've eaten a samosa. Or samosa. That's how you pronounce it, right? Samosa. Give me a sec. I'm gonna take a break real quick. I think my nose is a bit stuffed. I'm gonna go clear out my nose. I feel bleh. I'll be back real quick, guys. I'll be back real quick. I'm back. Ugh. I like burritos. Burritos are the goats. It depends. I like burritos too, but it depends on how they're made. Burritos can range all the way from low end of mid to pretty good. They're not. Wait, let me search up burritos again. Let me search up burritos. Let me search up burritos here. Burritos can be really good, but a lot of the times I feel like they're mid. Like, they can be good. Don't get me wrong. I'm not calling burritos in general mid. But I'm calling the ones that I usually eat mid. If you make it poorly, it is usually mid. But a good burrito is a good burrito. Anyways, I make burritos myself. They are great most of the time. Yeah, I don't really make food. I don't know how to cook. The best thing I can cook is like ramen noodles and grilled cheese. And I'm not very good at making grilled cheese. Usually I just let my family do it. But, yeah, let me actually, do something. Let me actually make progress here. So, let me drop an item. You can't, I am awful at cooking. I can make ramen noodles. Do you want me to make ramen noodles for you? Does that count as cooking? I am god awful at well, to be fair, I don't know if I can cook or not. I haven't tried. Okay, I haven't really, yeah, listen, I just don't cook a lot, okay? I have other people cooking for me. Bro, you still living with your family? I don't know. Listen, okay? Listen, I just don't cook a lot, okay? I can make ramen noodles and instant food, okay? I can make ramen and instant food, but like, yeah, can you answer my last 3 messages? Not all 3, just the last one? Okay, Furthermore, if I may be so bold as to inquire, what is the precise volumetric and mass-based limitation one might feasibly accumulate within their grasp at any given moment? I have no fucking clue what that even means. No fucking clue what that sentence even means, man. I have no clue what that sentence even means. So, I don't know how to answer that, Garrett. Well, what does that sentence even mean? Speak in normal English, please. Speak in normal English, please. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to create the drop mechanic here. I'm gonna create the drop mechanic. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try creating a drop mechanic. How do I create a drop mechanic again? I forgot. Use. So we're gonna do this. Temp var, item description. I think he wants to ask how big of a thing you can hold in your palm, I guess. Hold what thing? What big thing? Are you talking about like a giant wiener? What are you talking about? What big thing? What big thing are you referring to? What big thing are you referring to, my man? My good sir, my fellow man, human being. Okay, I'm gonna try shortening this code a little bit. Just a big thing. Heavy. You know what else is big and heavy? Do you know what else is big and heavy, guys? Do you know what else is big and heavy? A big block. Mr. Zach Cowardly guessed the exact thing I was thinking of. A big block of cheese. A big cheese wheel. You know what they say? If you want to make a girl wet, just give her a big giant cheese wheel, okay? You want to make a girl horny? Just give her some cheese. Give her some cheese. Okay? If you want to make a girl like you, just give her cheese. She will immediately like you. She will love you, in fact. Any girl will love you if she is given cheese, okay? This is advice from the slime. Eat cheese and give cheese, and you will have unlimited Riz. Here is the whole simplified sentence. If Sony doesn't give me my account back, I may steal someone's cheese, and I don't want to do that. Also, may I ask, how many can you hold at once? You can hold an unlimited amount of cheese in this game. The unlimited amount of cheese. Can't confirm, tried it before? You can't confirm? You're telling me you haven't been able to rizz up a girl with cheese before? The only reason why I don't give girls cheese is because I don't want a girl. If I really wanted to, I could make every single girl in the world fall in love with me. I have so much cheese riz, I could steal everyone's girl. Literally, I have so much riz. I could steal everyone's girl. You know, I would steal everyone's girl. So I don't do that, unfortunately. I don't steal people's girl. That's why I don't give people cheese. But if I really wanted to, I could steal everyone's girlfriend and wives, because I just have that much riz with my cheese. I have that much cheese riz. L? What's the L for? You talking about the battle Tommy? The girl I like is Asian. If she's Asian, well, so what? Even if she's Asian, she can still like cheese as well. Everybody loves cheese, okay? Slime, the only girl you will get is the one you steal from the graveyard. Okay, if I steal one from the graveyard, she's gonna become undead and come back to life and, like, kill me or whatever. Anyways, selected 0. Let me do this. Selected 0. Selected 0 here. There we go. Okay. Okay, that should change that. Now I need to figure out how to make it drop items. Now I just need to drop items. If nothing is selected, it won't drop an item. Okay, let me test this out again. Let me test this out. Let me pick up some cheese in game. Also, I only have 2 hours of school tomorrow, in which we have to watch a movie. Should I go? It's up to you, man. I know a lot of people in my school who used to skip classes. I was never one of those students. I never skip classes, because if I start skipping classes, then I stop being able to do anything. So I don't skip classes usually. I only have 2 hours of school tomorrow, which we watch. I mean, it's up to you, man. What movie? Okay, depends on what movie. What movie are you guys watching? What movie are you guys watching? Nerd. Imagine not skip. The thing is, if I start skip, like, the thing is about school, okay. It's nothing wrong with skipping class. But the thing is, for me, I am very lazy. If I were to start skipping classes and stuff, I would start becoming more lazy. When I had to, like, go to school every day to ensure that I maintained a habit. I had to maintain a schedule and not break that schedule. Or else I would have been so lazy, I would have just skipped every single day. I would be straight up just fail all my classes and just dropped out. I don't think I would have finished high school if I skipped even once. If I skipped even once, that one day I skipped class will cause an entire spiral of me skipping classes. It'd be like, oh, I skipped class before. I can skip one more class, just one more. And then I skip 3, and then 4 class, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then I skip everything. And then I just don't go to school, and then I drop out, and then I die. Nope. I wore a mask to school. I was that one kid who went to school while fucking sick. I remember one time I went to school, I had a mask on so no one could see me. But my entire nose was so fucking snotty that snot was just flowing out. Yeah, even when I was sick, I still went to school. I just brute forced it. Fucking brute forced it. Yeah, no one got sick though. Thankfully, I wore a mask, so no one else got sick. Don't worry, I didn't spread my sickness to anyone else. I'm at least pretty good with that. I didn't get anyone sick, I did not get anyone sick. So I'm just doing some tests right now, by the way. Insert strawberries on pizza, bananas on pizza, Nico on pizza. That's dedicate. That is not dedication. That's just me trying my best to not For me, it just takes something very little for me to fucking just become immediately lazy, I have to be incredibly strict with myself. If I'm not, I become lazy easily. I start skipping, I just start, Also, I missed my bus today and had to wait an entire hour. I almost started from walking home because I was done with the day. I live 9 kilometers away from my school. God fucking damn it. How long does it take for a bus to come? It takes an entire hour for the next bus to come? God damn. Jeez. Do you guys not have, more buses? How many buses do you guys have in your area? That takes a really long time. The bus comes every hour. Okay, that does suck. That does very suck. That sucks. What happened? Did the bus come earlier than expected? What happened, man? What happened? What happened? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Var selected equals guest selected item. Inventory.erase. I'm not gonna do inventory.erase. We don't have more buses. I see. What caused you to be insert slime on pizza? You're gonna turn me into an ingredient for pizza? Gary's gonna eat me on pizza, I think. I sat in class and right as I wanted to leave, I saw Are you the only one who rides that bus in your school? Were you the only one who waited for the bus? Cause that's kind of sad, that is kind of sad, are you the only one from your school who gets on that bus? Slide slime, I guess a cheese grit. You guys really want to murder me. Why do you guys want to murder me? What is wrong with you people? What is actually wrong with you people? Are you guys okay? What is this grudge that you have against me? What have I ever done to you people? What have I ever done to you guys? Seriously, what have I ever done to you guys? Huh? What have I ever done to you guys? Tell me. What have I ever done to you guys? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And yet you're treating me like a fucking pizza ingredient. You guys are treating me like pineapple on pizza. Okay? Pineapple on pizza. That's what you guys are treating me as. But yeah. Yeah. Pizza, insert pizza on pizza on... That's a lot of pizzas, man. That's a lot of pizzas. That's a lot of pizzas, I will say. Var dropped item. I'm gonna create a dropped item here equals. So when you drop an item, I want to spawn an instance of the item on the floor. Duplicate. Dropped item. Instantiate. Wait. Dropped item. So I'm gonna do player dot add child. Wait, player dot get parent dot add child. Okay. Okay, dropped item. Does this work? Dropped item. Let's try this. Dropped item. Dropped item dot position equals player dot position. Can you Garrett is spamming pizza on pizza on pizza on pizza on pizza for some reason. I was the only bastard from that class that takes the bus home at 5 p.m. I could drive with the car like the others, but I would just end up killing myself. To be fair, driving is pretty scary. I also drive sometimes, and let's just say I almost got into a car crash a couple of times. One time, I was being fucking brain dead and tried to change lanes into a car that was already right next to me. I was like, holy shit, I'm gonna fucking die. And then no. Thankfully, the guy behind me was actually a good driver, honked the horn, and moved out of the way, thankfully. And I was able to swerve back into my lane. I am a stupid driver. After that, I tried paying more attention, you know. I fear one day I get into a car crash too. I fear that I will one day die, you know. I fear that I will one day die. And that does scare me. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I don't want to scratch my precious car, you know. It's not even my car. It's literally a borrowed car, so yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Huh? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? What the fuck? What the fuck is going... Okay, my cheese has 0 gravity for some reason. My cheese has no gravity. Why does my cheese have no gravity? Why does my cheese have no... What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm gonna put this area 3D in here. Will that change anything? Will that cause... Okay, let me check. 0 gravity. Yeah, I don't know why my cheese had no gravity. It was really weird. I don't know why my cheese had no gravity. I'm gonna have to fix that. I have to fix the cheese having no gravity. Yeah, definitely gonna have to fix that. If I can actually figure out how to. Wait. Static body. There should be a gravity option, right? How do I affect gravity? There should be gravity. How do I give a static body gravity? Okay, how do I give this thing gravity? Huh. Lots of pizza on slime. Someone just drove into my lane, but I had priority. I almost hit him because I had a bad reaction speed. Imagine that was me, man. Imagine I was the one who almost drove into your lane. Listen, I almost got myself killed a couple of times, but thankfully I'm still alive, you know. Thankfully I'm still alive. Very thankful that I'm still alive, you know. Surprisingly, I'm still alive. That's honestly kind of surprised. How do I add gravity to this? I want to add gravity to this fucking thing. How do I add gravity? Hello? I want to add gravity. Godot. How do I add gravity to something? Godot. Add gravity to item. How do I add gravity to an item? How do I add gravity? I forgot. Godot. Let me... Godot. Add gravity. Let's let a bunch of 14-year-olds drive giant metal 110 miles per hour capable machines. I didn't start driving until a couple years ago. It surprises me how young people start driving, man. Like when I was young, I did not want to drive at all. Driving scared me. Yeah. How do I make this thing fucking fall? How do I add gravity to this thing? Rigid body 3D. Used for collision. Polygon shape 3D. I want to make this have gravity. For some reason, this doesn't work. What the hell? What? I'm testing this out right now, but for some reason, the fucking cheese just floats. The cheese literally just floats. What the hell? Also, I'm gonna have to fix this as well. I'm gonna do transform 0.2 here. 0.2, cheese also can be 0.2 as well. Cheese is so powerful. It's for items in general. No item like has gravity for some reason. I gotta fix this. Why does it? The cheese literally just floats. I can even wait. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the actual gameplay here. It literally just floats in the air, and it's scary. This cheese scares me. The cheese literally scares me. Look at this. Oh my god. It just floats. It's asserting dominance, man. It's just asserting dominance. It's just fucking floating. What the fuck? It's just fucking floating. It's a floating block of cheese. It's a floating piece of cheese. What the hell? Why are you floating? Why are you floating? Why are you floating? Hello? I want it to fall. Come on, fall, bro. Fall. Why are you falling? Why are you not falling, I meant to say. What the hell? You know what? I could just make it so there's no physics and that the item will literally just, I could just make it so the item just goes through the floor. I mean, just, teleports onto the ground. But I do want to make the cheese fall. I want to give it, like, physics. I want to give it physics, man. Let me try okay, rigid body 3D. I'm gonna try rigid body 3D here. I'm gonna try rigid body 3D. See if this works. It's giving me an error, but put set gravity in the ready function. Does that only work for like collision body, like for rigid bodies and stuff? Cause it's just a node 3D, so. Okay, let me try what you said. Let me try what you said just now. So you said get gravity. Does that thing is I don't know if that works. I put this on this is just a node 3D. Get func get gravity. Get gravity. Is that the function? I don't think 3D rigid bodies. I do remember something having gravity by default. It might have been character body 3D. It might have been character body. Let's try character body 3D here. Wait, does my I think my main node has to be a character body 3D for it to work, I think. I think the main node has to be a character body 3D. Or else it won't work, I don't think. I'm just testing this out. For some reason, get in the ready function. Oh, right. Let me try that. Yeah, let me try that. I have appeared to spread random nonsense. Hello, the crazy played crazy. And hello, man. How's it going? Hope you're having a good day. It has been a good solid while. How you doing, man? Get gravity. Okay, let's try get gravity. Get gravity. Does this apply gravity to everything? It says get gravity not found in self. So I'm assuming there's no gravity if the thing that's attached to is not what's it called? Not like a character body 3D or something. Good night, good night, fellow homeless people. Have a good night. Sleep tight and slimed wall. Are you leaving? If you're leaving, have a good night, Battle Tommy. Have a good night. Did you get? I did. Hello, Subliminary. How you doing, man? Hope you're having a good day. I did get the inventory sorted out. I locked the fuck in and got it figured out. I'm just adding some like last minute adjustments, but I have gotten the inventory sorted out. So I can now pick up cheese. Cheese. Look at this. Look at the cheese. You like cheese, Subliminary? Because this is the cheese stream. This is the dedicated cheese stream. So if you don't like cheese, sucks to be you, you know. I'm leaving due to my body getting tired. If you're tired, have a good night, man. Have a good night. Make sure to stay energized, you know. Have you ever played Rayman Legends? I do not think so, because I haven't heard of it. I'm gonna have to make a cheese gun in my game. You know, that's very base, you know. Cheese is very good. That is very good. I can eat cheese now. I can eat cheese and heal. The one thing that I have a problem with right now is when I drop the cheese, it floats in the air. I have floating cheese. I need to fix this. I don't know why my cheese is floating, so I need to fix that. I need to fix this floating cheese. Yeah. I don't remember how to do that, so I'm gonna have to fix this properly. Oh, okay. How do I add gravity to... Okay, so basically the cheese, like the actual mesh, is like it's a child of a Node 3D. Just let it float. I could just make the cheese like... Okay, wait. Let me just do something. I can make the... Like... the only reason why I wanted to have gravity is because it looks cooler when it falls down from you. It's a good game design. In order to chart a destination, you need 6 orientations plus X. What are these words? I don't know what you're talking about, the crazy plane crazy. And are you talking about some like dimensional theory or something? What the hell? Wait, I was still gonna get rid of any print statements. What is this print statement that's in my... What is this? What is getting printed? What the hell? Print. What is getting printed? I don't know why something's getting printed here, but alright. I think I'm just gonna make the cheese teleport to the ground. I'm gonna make the cheese teleport to the ground, I think. I'm just gonna make it teleport to the ground. If the mesh is a static body 3D, add a script to the mesh itself. Static body 3D, add script, gravity. I'm gonna add this as the gravity script. And then get gravity. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Get gravity. I could have sworn there's a way to do it. Oh, get gravity works. Is there no gravity I could have sworn there was a gravity option, man. I could have sworn there was. Okay, let me test this out. Let me test this out, my fellow people. Those are the cheese coordinates. Oh, those are the cheese coordinates. Cheese is everywhere. Do you guys know everything is made of cheese? Everything in this world is made of cheese. If you look closely enough, everything is cheese. Cheese is love. Cheese is life, you know? Let me try dropping this now. Drop. It still floats. The thing, okay, I think the problem is that the static body is a child node of the thing, so it doesn't work. Add blending between different tiles. I don't know how to do that fancy stuff. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to do that fancy stuff, so I'm not focusing on making my game look good right now. I'm just trying to making a rigid body instead. Rigid body. I mean, to be fair, gravity is not that important. For some reason, I'm getting an error every time I add it to a rigid body. It says, when used for collision, concave polygon shape 3D is intended to work with static object 3D. Or whatever, I don't know. But I'm going to add gravity. Oh, wait, that's the wrong thing. Oh, wait, this thing already has gravity built in. What the hell? This thing already has gravity. What? This thing already has gravity. I think the reason why it doesn't work is because it's like a child of the node, of the parent node or something. Okay, let me try this. Let me test this out. I'm gonna test this out. It's still floating. What? Why is it still floating? This thing literally has a built-in gravity function. Or built-in gravity. Okay, I'm going to put the script on it and see if it works. You need to make a function that gets the gravity so you can use it with parent nodes. Script inherits. Oh, wait. Okay, let me rigid body. So you need to make a function that gets the gravity so you can use it with parent nodes. How would I do that? Would I have to do rigid body dot get gravity? Let me try that. Let me try a rigid body dot get gravity maybe. Let me try rigid body dot get gravity. So do this dot get gravity. Would it be something like this? Would it be something like that? Let me try that. Let me see if this works. I mean, honestly, gravity isn't that important. Like, I do want to add gravity because it's cool. But it's not that important. Also, thanks for the help, by the way, people. Thanks for the help, guys, if it does work. It still floats! It still floats! What the fuck? Okay, I mean, I don't need to add gravity. I don't need it, you know? I don't need to add gravity. It's just that I like adding gravity. Adding gravity would be cool, you know? It would be cool to have gravity, but, like, I don't need it. It would be cool to have gravity. You need to make it move down until it hits the floor. So would I have to apply gravity every frame? I guess I could do that. I can apply gravity every frame. Honestly, that feels really unoptimized. I think I just might ignore gravity. Because imagine you have like a bunch of items on the floor. Try declaring a gravity variable at the top of the main cheese scene script. Then instance it on ready. A gravity variable? This seems like a way too much work for gravity. You know what? I'm not gonna add gravity. Fuck it. I'm not gonna add fucking gravity. Who needs gravity anyways, man? Who needs gravity? Who actually needs gravity? And I actually don't need the static body either. I literally don't need the static body. Fuck that. I'm not gonna add gravity. Who needs gravity, guys? Who actually needs gravity? Am I right? Who needs gravity? We don't need gravity, okay? We don't need gravity. We do not need gravity. Alright? We don't need gravity. Okay, gravity is for losers. Only losers are bound by the physics of gravity. Are you guys bounded by gravity? I bet not. I bet you guys aren't affected by gravity. Only losers are affected by gravity. None of you guys are losers, okay? Also, hello, Brownie. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. I am doing more game dev today. Yay! And I'm actually making progress with my inventory system. I know, I be flying around every day. So true, homie, so true. I'm literally flying around butt naked, defying gravity. Gravity is nothing but a suggestion. Gravity is not, like, it's not a concept. It's a suggestion. It's not real, okay? Once you believe that gravity is not real, you'll start flying immediately, trust me. Trust me. It's true. It's true. Trust me, bro. Trust me. The source is I made it the fuck up. I'm going to get player.position. So I'm going to do vector3 player.position.x. And then I'm going to do 0 and then player.position.z. This should make it so it just appears on the floor. This means it should just appear on the floor, right? It should just appear on the floor. Let's test this out. Let us test this out. Let us test this out. Well, to be fair, I actually might want to add gravity. Because what if the player is, like, standing on, like, something? And I don't know, man. I don't know. I wanted to add gravity, but I don't know. Okay, for now, it teleports onto the ground. That's what it does. It works. It works. I'll show you guys if you guys want to see it. Okay, so here it is. I right now have 7 blocks of cheese. I have 7 blocks of cheese. I know, that's a lot of cheese, and we all love cheese here. So I can drop this, and it just spawns on the ground. The only problem is, what if I'm standing on something? Like, what if the ground is slightly high up? And, like, that's the only problem I can think of, but I can worry about that another time, you know? I can worry about that another time. There's no problem, you know? Okay. Hey, just got here. What are we working on? We are working on an inventory system right now. I think I just about finished my inventory system. Also, hello, Modded Shadow. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. But I'm working on an inventory system. We have cheese. Are you a fellow cheese enjoyer, Modded Shadow? Everyone here loves cheese. Are you also a fellow cheese enjoyer? If you are a cheese enjoyer, you would love this place because this is the dedicated cheese stream where I add a very delicious block of cheese. And I can drop it. I can pick it up. I cannot equip, I know it's sad, but you can't equip the cheese yet. You cannot equip the cheese. I apologize. You guys cannot equip it. But you can use it. You can eat the cheese. See, eating the cheese restores your stamina. Cheese is good. Cheese is love. Cheese is life, man. Cheese is great. We should start a cult. I gotta show you guys something. I gotta show you guys something. Wait, let me show you guys. Wait, what the fuck is this not working? Okay, how do I upscale this? Okay, I gotta upscale this. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm really messing this up here. I'm really messing this up. What the fuck? Guess what this is? Oh my god, it's a cheese. It's a cheese slime. It's a cheese slime, guys. It's a cheese slime. Yeah. I turned myself into cheese. It's the funniest shit ever. I turned myself into cheese slime. Just like Pickle Rick, but with cheese instead. Yeah. I created an inventory system now. Let's go. Woo! We are very excited for that. What should I add next? I'm assuming we're going to add, like, weapons next. I'm assuming we want to add, like, weapons next. I do have a couple basic weapons. I have a sword and a spear for now. I have a sword and a spear. I'm assuming I'm going to work on adding the sword and adding the spear. So I'm going to get out of the game and continue working on my inventory and stuff, I guess. Yeah, let me work. Let me add some more items here. We can start adding more items. So far, I only have one item. That's the cheese item. And obviously, we want more than just cheese. Like, I get it. We all like cheese, okay? We all love cheese here. But we want more than just cheese. Add a guy named Jeff. What I want to do is I want to add, like, a bunch of randomly generated NPCs. And then have them pick random names. Like, one of them's probably going to be Jeff. There's going to be Bob. There's going to be Billy. There's going to be Joe. There's going to be Mike. There's going to be another Billy. There's going to be Jeff. There's going to be Joey. Jacob. There's going to be a bunch of random names. You know, a bunch of random names for NPCs. Yay. Yeah, there will be a bunch of random names. And, yeah, there will be a bunch of random NPCs that have random names in the game. Make King Jeef. Maybe, you know, I'm going to add boss fights if I can. If I can, I'm going to add boss fights. So I might add that. But spelled like Jeef. You know, maybe I will. There's nothing stopping me from doing that, you know. There's nothing stopping me. Alright, new inherited scene. This is the new item. This is going to be the sword item. The sword item here. You better. Listen, I gotta finish making the basics of the game before I can add anything fancy. King Jeef when? Listen, you guys are asking me to add mechanics when I still haven't created the basic mechanics yet. I gotta start adding the basic mechanics. Also, where's my sword item? This should be in this should be in the items folder. Why did that not... Wait, what? Where is it? Where's my... Where sword item? Where'd it go? Where the fuck... Huh? Where'd my sword item go? I need to put this in weapon. No, not in weapons. I need to put this in the item scene. We want King Jeef. I'll add it eventually. Right now, I'm still very early on in game development. You guys want to see the progress I've made? I've made very little progress, okay? My progress is very little, okay? It's gonna happen. It might happen eventually, okay? Okay, this is all I have right now. Literally, this is all I have. You guys want me to add King Jeef? This is all I have. Literally, all I have is one item. I literally only have one item, and it's cheese. Cheese. That's literally all I have. Cheese. Yeah, that's it. You guys, this is literally all I have. King Jeef DLC now. King Jeef is the basic. It's not very basic, okay? This is the only living creature in my game so far. And I don't know what the fuck that is, honestly. What animal is this? Make Bobby McCheester? Listen, I have things to vent. I also have a dungeon, I guess. I also have a dungeon that you can go inside of, but there's nothing in the dungeon. This dungeon is completely empty. It is about as empty as my brain. So, yeah, this is a very empty dungeon. It's very ugly, too. It's a very ugly and empty dungeon, so... Yeah, it's a very ugly and empty dungeon. Yeah, I'm gonna actually work on adding new things now, instead of just, talking. Sells cheese. Make him a... I'm gonna add, like, dungeon merchants. I will add dungeon merchants. Okay? If you guys are happy, I will add dungeon merchants eventually, you know? Eventually. I don't know when I'll do it, but eventually. Eventually. Yeah, eventually. What do I want to do now, though? What do I want to do now? I want to make weapons. Yeah. Oh, right. Wouldn't I have to create an equipment screen? Okay, this is actually going to be annoying, because I have to add an entire new thing then. I need to create an equipment scene and stuff. Var helmet. Var chest. Okay, head armor. Var chest armor. Var leg armor. There's gonna be there's gonna be 4 types of armor. There's gonna be like Minecraft. 4 types of armor that you can wear. Var right hand. Var left hand. There we go. That's gonna be the things that we can have. Right use, left use, yada yada. Okay. Make Bobby McCheester a merchant. Why did you not like my lactose and apocalypse idea? Because you're lactose up. Okay, basically, Garrett wanted me to add this really overly complicated ability to my game that involved changing my entire mechanics of the game by turning everything into cheese. That is very complicated. I don't know how to do that. But I do know how to add an NPC. That sounds much more simple, okay? That sounds much more simple than adding in a cheese lactose apocalypse or whatever. Okay, that sounds much more complicated. So, yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that. Let's figure out what to do now. Let's create an item. Sword item. Just change all the meshes to cheese, trust me. Listen, I'm not gonna do that. That's more difficult than it sounds, you know. Okay, let's add a sword to my game now. Let's add a sword. I need a diamond sword. I need a diamond sword. You guys got the diamond sword. Let me add my sword. My sword is really... Don't ask why, but my sword is massive. You're like, oh, where's my sword? I just imported the sword model. Where is it? That's the sword. I don't know why I made the sword so big. This is canonically how big my penis is, by the way. Canonically how big it is. Yeah, I'm gonna shrink it, just like my penis in the winter as well. I'm gonna shrink this to like 0.01. Because for some reason, this sword is so fucking big. It is actually massive. It's actually huge. I'm gonna just shrink it a bit. Cap. Nah, trust me, bro. Trust me. Trust me, man. It's actually how big it is. Trust, man. Trust. Oh, right. This is why I wanted to add gravity. Okay, I want to add gravity now because the sword is gonna be a little bit weird. You know what else is massive? My brain. That's average size. Damn. I don't know what your standards are, but that doesn't seem very average. Look at this, then. This is the size of my sword. This is the size of my sword. Yeah, that doesn't seem too average now, does it, huh? Maybe under average. Let me just turn this up a bit. Okay, it's so big I can't even see anymore. Sword is so... Okay, how do I add gravity to this? I want to add gravity to this, but this might be a little bit difficult. Because, I want to add gravity to this, but this is I want to add gravity. How do I add gravity? How do I add gravity to this? How would I add gravity? What if I turn this into a character body 3D? Cheese rat things. I don't know how to add gravity. That part might be a little bit difficult. Like, let me search. Let me see here. Let me. What if I change everything to like a character body 3D? Let me change this to a character body 3D. You walk over to ChatGPT and he does it for you. I'm easy. It's easy. I'm also a Godot dev. Okay, how would I add gravity then? Because right now, this is the mesh. This is like the parent node. And I can't, this is the parent node. It's just a normal node 3D. It's a normal node 3D. So I can't really change it. It's a normal node 3D. Just add, it's not that simple. I'm trying to add gravity. But the thing is, even if I add a character body 3D to this, you just need to add a downward velocity. Wait, let me see. Let me add a static body again. Let me try adding a static body. And then I'm gonna create a mesh, create collision shape, static body child. Let me get rid of this static body 3D. And then constant linear velocity. Okay, let's try this. Let's try constant linear velocity. Yeah, let's try constant. What happened to gravity? Well, too bad. I am a loser. Joke's on you guys. I am a loser. Okay, I am a loser. Therefore, I'm trying to add gravity. Okay, trying to add gravity because I am a loser. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Yeah. No, wait. Let's actually just do player.position here. Let's try player.position. Yeah, let's just do player.position here. Static body won't work. The static body has a constant it has a function here that says constant linear velocity. So I don't know. Are you on Team I've been on Team Gravity since day one. I've never doubted Team Gravity, okay? I have always been on Team Gravity since day one, okay? Everything that you've heard from me before was a lie. I was tricking you guys. I was tricking you. Okay, it didn't work. The gravity did not work, guys. I lied. The gravity didn't work. Fuck. It didn't work. It didn't work. What the fuck? How do I... What? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna... What do I do here? What do I do? What do I do, guys? What do I do? Okay, let's try changing this to, like, I don't know if changing this is gonna actually affect anything, but let's try changing this. No more saying cuss words, guys. Yeah. Anyone who says fuck, bitch. Yeah. No, you're not allowed to say cuss words, guys. No saying fuck, okay? Only fucking losers say words like fuck, okay? Only fucking losers say fuck and bitch and shit, you know? Only a piece of shit would say shit, okay? Only a literal fucker would say fuck. Use a rigid body 3D. Okay, I'm gonna have to try. Thing is, I don't know if I change this will affect my code because I don't know if I hard coded it or not. How do I change this again? There should be a change type, right? There should be a change type somewhere. Change type. How do I change the type of this? You know what else is rigid? You guys know what else is rigid, by the way? Only fucking dumbasses say shit like that. Yeah, so true, bestie. So true, man. So true. So goddamn true. Okay, let's try this again then. Let's try this again. Let me delete this. Let's delete the static body. Low taper ridge. Okay, let me just see if this works. Let me see if this works. Let me see if this works. Wait, where did the cheese go? Now all the cheese have disappeared. What? Literally all the cheese have disappeared now. I can't find a single block of cheese. Where'd all the cheese go? Where'd all the cheese go? Where'd all the cheese? Cheese. Where'd all the cheese go? I'm gonna have to add a cheese, I think. Where'd all the cheese go? What the fuck? Literally, I did that and all the cheese literally just disappeared. Where'd all the cheese go? What? How do I add gravity? I don't know how to add gravity, guys. My player body works because, I don't know how. Let me try. Character body? Search it up? Okay. I'll see. I shall see. I will figure this out, guys. I will figure this out. Mark my word, I will figure this out. The Godot wiki lists some functions to do it. Okay, you know what? I'll search it up after I try this. After I try this, I will search it up. I'm stuck inside of. Guys, I may be stuck inside of the cheese. I was stuck inside of the cheese. Let me try putting this on layer 2, maybe? Try putting this on layer 2. And then... if cheese touching ground not equals true velocity... The thing is, it feels way too complicated to do like a whole function. I guess I could do that, but it sounds very annoying to do. Wait, let me just try this again here. Let's try this again. I'll see if I can get this to work. I will see if I can get this to work. Slime, how did you start Godot? I made... What do you mean, how did I start Godot? Like, the first game I made in Godot? I just started Godot because I felt like making a game, and Unity sucks balls, so I didn't use Unity. But, okay, I don't know how I should do this. How am I gonna do this? I guess I could just make it go downwards until it touches the floor. I guess. I guess I could do that. But, like... I feel like it's better to let it automatically do that for me. Alright, I'm gonna search this up. I am gonna search this up. How Godot, how to add gravity to a node 3D where the mesh is the child. I moved to Godot after Unity threatened to take my money and I never looked. That's fair enough, man. That is fair enough. But, the reason why I use Godot is because it's so much easier to use. Like, even ignoring the Unity stuff, like, Unity is so, like, it's, for me, when I used Unity, it was hard to use. Like, it took me, like, 30 minutes to boot up. It took me so fucking long. It took up a massive file size, and it just wasn't really good. Anyone playing around with 4.4 beta yet? I have not used 4.4. I'm only using, 4.3, I think. Okay, I'm gonna try to ask ChatGPT how to do this. Add a gravity node to a 3D where the mesh... okay, use a rigid body 3D. Create the node... add a rigid body 3D. This will handle the physics. They said to just make a rigid body 3D. Okay, I gotta go. Lol, I gotta go. See you. Have a good day, Brownie. Thank you for joining, by the way. Thank you for joining. I do appreciate you being here, man. I do appreciate you being here. Thank you for joining. Let me add a collision shape 3D here. Add a collision shape. Let me do a new box shape, I guess. This is a temporary box shape, I guess. A temporary box shape. For now. Once I asked ChatGPT to fix my bug for me, and it rewrote my code into a whole new script, and then flagged a bug in its own code. ChatGPT helps so much. Okay, I'm not using ChatGPT to write it for me. I'm just trying to get the idea of what I need to do. I just need to get the idea of what I need to do. I'm not trying to ask ChatGPT to rewrite my entire code for me. But, I mean, I have asked it to do that before, but, you know, this time I'm trying to actually learn. I'm trying to learn here, you know? Trying to learn. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works, man. Let's see if this works. Let's drop this. Nope, it's still fucking floating. I mean, it has wait. Oh, wait. Wait, it has collision. It has collision, so what if I apply gravity to it? Gravity. Wait, okay, wait. Let me detach this. Detach script and new script. Let me try this. Just change the root node to a rigid bot. We can't. I only show it when what's it called? I'm gonna show my screen when I actually make progress. For when I'm bug testing, I'm not gonna show my screen because I would have to manually change it. Just change the root. If I change the root node to rigid body, I feel like it breaks my script. I mean, if I run out of ideas, I will do that. If I run out of ideas, I will do that. Let me. What was I gonna do again? Attach a script. Okay, let's try gravity. Now, let me try this. Gravity. Where's the gravity function? Is there no gravity function? Wait, character. Could have sworn there's a. Okay, let me check my player script. Physics process. Let's try this. Physics process. What if I make this a character body 3D? What if I make this a character body 3D? Okay, let's try character body 3D. You know, I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna test this. No, but you can add a gravity const. Okay, I'm just gonna test this, you know. I mean, this isn't really that important, you know. This isn't really that majorly important. It's just like, it makes the thing look better if I do this. So that's why I'm trying to add gravity here. Try character body 3D. Let's try character body 3D here. Character body 3D, because character body 3D has like a function or whatever. Let me add attach script gravity / gravity. Yeah, this thing has like its own. I'm gonna delete all this. I only need gravity. I only need the gravity function. I only need the gravity function here. Only need this gravity function. That's all I need. Literally all I need. I can delete all this, right? Yeah, I can delete all this. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Because that has a script and stuff. Yeah, that has a script. Let's drop the cheese. Nope, the cheese isn't dropping. Why is the cheese not dropping? Why are you not dropping, cheese? Cheese, seriously, why are you not dropping? Why is this cheese not dropping? What is this wrong with this cheese? What is wrong with this goddamn cheese? It literally defies physics. This cheese is so powerful. It defies physics. I don't know how. It just does. This cheese defies physics. This fucking cheese actually just defies physics. Actually just defies physics. What if I do... what if I do character? What if I do this? Because the cheese's location is bound to the root node location. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Let me ask ChatGPT. Is attach clear chat where is the root node of a scene? I'm asking ChatGPT right now. I'm using it to give me ideas. I'm using it to give me ideas right now. Code example. Huh. I might have to change the root node, yeah. Yeah, I might have to change the root node. That seems to be the only way for me to do it. Just get its parent and change its velocity. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Get parent dot velocity. Oh, wait. Okay, let's try that. Will this work? Let's try that. Does the parent even have a velocity, though? Because, okay, the game's not even running anymore. Where did I cause the bug? Pass. Let me put pass in here. Yeah, I'm trying out a couple things here, you know. If I have to, I'll change the root node, but that seems really annoying. Okay, that doesn't work. There is no velocity because this is just a node 3D. Node 3D doesn't have velocity. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't have a velocity. It doesn't have a velocity. If not on ground, get parent. Get parent. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to change. You know, okay, I'll see. I'll see if this works or not. I'm gonna go into my inventory. I'm gonna see inventory is an array. If I change this to a character body, what would be best? Would rigid body be best? Rigid body should be best, right? Change type, rigid body. Rigid body. Rigid body has gravity, right? Yeah, it has gravity. So I'm just gonna add collision shape to this. Yeah, I'm gonna add a collision shape. Yeah, rigid body probably will work best. So I'm just gonna run this and see if it works. I'm hoping that it works, but I'm not for sure because I'm never sure about anything. At least I can pick it up. It kind of works. I think there's something wrong with my hitbox. Let me... Okay, yeah, there is definitely something wrong with my hitbox. What the fuck? What in the fucking world is wrong with this thing? Let me fix this. 0.2. And then, what is wrong with this thing? Seriously, what is wrong with this thing? Why is it fucking crazy? Okay, let me create collision shape here. And then I'm just gonna delete this and put this here. Let me scale this down. 0.2. There we go. Rigid body is made for this. They called me rigid body in high school. I wonder why you were called rigid body. You know, I wonder why. I wonder what part of you was rigid the most. Anyways, I'm gonna run this. Hopefully this works. It gives me there's like a weird little like yellow triangle. Okay, let me show my game this time. You know, this is the moment of truth, guys. This is the moment of truth. Will this work? This is the moment of where did all the cheese go? Yeah, when I add gravity, it just goes through the fucking floor. It just goes through the fucking floor, man. Okay, I think I need to make it so the items spawn a little bit up, I think. I think I need to make it so the things spawn a little bit up. Because I think they just fall through the floor or something. I think they fall through the floor. I think they fall through the floor, I think. Let me do 0.1. 0.1. Will that work? Is there going to be any cheese left? Where are the cheese at? Where the fuck are the cheese? Where the hell are the cheese at? Seriously, where are the cheese? I don't know where the cheese is, man. I don't know where the cheese is. Where are the cheese? The cheeses are just gone. They spawn barely clipped into the floor so they don't collide and fall. I am spawning the cheese above and it still don't appear. I remember why I didn't add collision before now. It's because they fucking disappear. Where did the cheese go? Where's the cheese? Seriously, where's the cheese? Yeah, I'm gonna print out. Okay, I'm gonna print the location of the cheese. I'm going to print the location of the cheese. Print position.y. Just so I can see what depth they're at. Position. Wait, what? Does it not have position? Position. Wait, is there... Wait, why do I not have position here? What? I do not have position for some reason. Might need to change the collision... Oh, right. The collision mask thingy-majiggy. Where is the collision mask again? I forgot. Collision mask. How do I... Is it in all of it? Huh. Collision mask. Collision. Yeah, let's see. Huh. Uh-huh. What is collision mask and collision layer? What's the difference between collision mask and collision layer, by the way? What's the difference? I don't know. Maybe it's because of this error I have. I am getting this little weird error saying when used for collision, it won't work as intended. Layer is where other nodes look, and mask is where it looks for other nodes. Oh, that's actually a pretty nice way of putting it. Let's try turning this all on then. Let's try turning this all on. I don't think this will fix it because there's something wonky with... Oh, okay, yeah, I literally just saw a cheese fall through the ground. I literally just saw a cheese fall through the ground just now. Literally just saw a cheese fall through the ground. It's okay, let's get rid of this. I don't know if maybe it's because I'm using this thing right now. Okay, let me try this again. Let me try this again here. I literally just saw a cheese fall through the ground. Okay, there we go. I figured it out. It works. It works. It works-ish, I guess. Wait, let me try this again. Let me turn this down. Let me turn the shape of this down. Oh my God. I have to move this to where the position is. Let me do position 0, 0, actually. 0, 0. Why is this off position? What the hell is this position? What the hell? I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my game, by the way. I have no fucking clue. It is really weird. I think this game is cursed, honestly. I think this game is just cursed. Genuinely, I think this game is just cursed. Someone cursed me. Who cursed me? I don't know who cursed me, but someone did. And now my cheese has fallen. Wait, no. I see cheese. I see cheese. The holy grail of cheese. Drop. Oh, it works. It works. It works. Hallelujah. 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 Whoa, stop fucking swearing. Sorry, my bad. I'm a fucking idiot. I keep fucking swearing, man. I can't believe I keep fucking swearing. I apologize, guys. I apologize. I should stop fucking swearing because fucking swearing is fucking bad for the fucking kids, you know, the little impressionable kids. If they hear me swearing, they're gonna start swearing too. So gotta stop saying fuck, you know, gotta stop saying fuck. Oh my God! Now wait. I can make the cheese. I can make the cheese pushable. I can make the cheese pushable. Wait, that's awesome. That's actually awesome. Wait. I made the cheese pushable. Holy fuck. Look at this. Ah! Look at it. Why does it slide so far? What the hell? I can make... Oh my God. This is actually kind of fun. Wait, bring my cheese back. Don't steal my cheese. They were stealing my cheese for a sec. I have pushable cheese now. I have pushable cheese. I'm taking tons of cheese. I want to see what happens. Wait, should I just spawn like 1,000,000,000 cheese? Okay, I feel like that would crash my game, but like, we have physic cheese now. We have physic cheese. Cheese physics. We have fucking cheese physics now. Oh my god, we have cheese physics. We have fucking cheese physics, guys. We have cheese physics. Are you guys excited for cheese physics? Are you guys excited for cheese physics? Yeah, you guys should be excited for cheese physics, by the way. Welcome to the wonders of rigid body. Yep. Cheese physics, man. Cheese physics. This is gonna be kind of fun, man. This is gonna be fun. I am very excited. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you, very excited. But, I'm gonna add, where's my mesh? Okay, this is my mesh, right? Where... New inherited. I'm gonna put this mesh... Okay, what the fuck? Okay, cancel. Fuck, don't save. I want to put the mesh directly into here, so I'm gonna open anyways. I'm gonna press copy. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna put a cheese mesh in here. I'm gonna put a mesh, and then I'm gonna do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do a collision shape, and then I'm gonna do static body. I think this doesn't work. Yeah, this doesn't work. I don't think it works if I do that. I think I have to manually make the shape myself, I think. Unfortunately, I think I have to manually make the shape myself for the collision. Because every time I try to do this, it says there's a configuration warning. Where this is, when used for collision, it only works with static collision objects. Which is weird. So, yeah. That might be a little bit of trouble. No, there's a generated collision shape. What do you mean generated collision shape? What do you mean by that? There's a generated collision shape. Create outline mesh? Because when there's an option here that says create collision shape. When I create collision shape, it only makes it for static. For a static. Or should I do sibling? Yeah, it still says the same thing. It still says the same thing. If I try to make it for that, it literally just says, I mean, I don't know if it works. It says, there's an error. Yeah, okay. Let me just shrink this down a bit. Let me do this like 0.1, I think. 0.01. Where the fuck did my sword go? It just disappeared. What? Gotta go work on a devlog. See ya. Have a good day, Mudded Shadow. If you're also working on a game, then good luck with that. Working on games is really difficult, so good luck with that, man. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Where's my sword? My sword literally just disappeared. Oh, there it is. For some reason, it's in the fucking sky for some reason. I was so confused why my sword just disappeared. Why are people actually trying to help me? Well, because making progress is always good, you know? Just because you don't want to help me doesn't mean other people aren't going to help me, okay? People like helping me, okay? You know, helping is good. I would like it when people help me, you know? I like it when people help me. Okay? Like, I don't know about you, but I like it when people help me. Let me add a collision shape. Collision shape 3D. Let me change this to, box. Yeah, let me do that as a box. Why is my zooming in and out so fucking far? What the hell? What the fuck is wrong with this? I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my camera right now. What the fuck is wrong with this camera? What the fuck is wrong with this goddamn camera? What the hell? I don't know what in the world is wrong with this camera, but alright. I genuinely cannot tell if Modded Shadow uses Godot or not. I don't know if he uses Godot, but he is talking about making games. So I do think he is a game developer. If that helps with anything, you know. Let me do this. I guess I can, wait, where the fuck what is wrong with this goddamn camera? What is wrong with this stupid ass camera, man? This fucking dumbass stupid camera. I would actually like to help you, but I am at coding just as good as a Parkinson's patient at holding up a glass of water. You know, I appreciate the moral support. You know, the moral support is helpful enough, you know. The moral support is enough to help me. The moral support is good, you know. Moral support is very helpful. I appreciate the moral support. Press F while in the inspector screen to focus on your selected node. Oh, I did not know that. That's good to know, though. That is good to know. I will make sure to do that next time. Okay, let me, what was I gonna do next? Okay, I need to spawn the sword in now. I need to spawn the sword in the game. So I need to, what's it called? I need to spawn the sword into the game. Let me, go back into my main function. Super helpful when the camera, yeah, that would be very helpful. That will be very, very helpful. Now I just gotta do, if else. Is it a lift? A lift. I keep forgetting. Is it a lift? It's a lift, right? Yeah, it's a lift. A lift. Range. Range is greater than 80. Then we're gonna do var sword instantiate. We're gonna instantiate the sword now. We're going to instantiate the sword. Where is the sword? Sword item. Sword item. We're just gonna instantiate this sword here. We're gonna create a sword. We're gonna do sword equals sword.instantiate. Sword.instantiate. And then we're gonna do this. And then the sword should spawn nicely. Oh, what? Okay, let me do that. Okay. Okay. I should be able to spawn a bunch of random swords now. There should be a bunch of random swords spawning in now. If everything works fine. Okay, things are not working. There's no sword. I don't see any swords. Where are the goddamn swords at? I don't think this collision shape works. I don't think this collision shape works. I don't think it works. I need to use this collision shape, I think. Hello, Atlas Online. Does Godot also take C#? I do not know. I think so. Wait. Does Godot use C#? Let me search that up real quick. Yes, it does use C#. It is implemented with the Mono.net framework, including full support for C# 8.0. It does. So yes, the answer is yes, it does. I have not used C# before, so I do not know how good it is. But according to these guys in my chats, they sound like experts. These guys sound like experts. So you should definitely listen to them. A bunch of random swords should be the name of a reality TV show in Germany. I don't know. A bunch of random swords, you know. A bunch of random swords here. Let me actually test this again. There should be a bunch of random swords spawning. If everything goes well, there should be like a bunch of random swords everywhere. There is! Okay, what? The fucking sword just got... For some reason, that sword clipped out of reality. And this... What the hell is wrong with this? Why did the sword get clipped? What the fuck? I am so powerful. The sword gets clipped out of nowhere. Amazing main Listen, I'm too... Okay. I haven't figured out what I wanted my name of the game I was going to make is. I don't know what the name of the game is going to be, so I haven't decorated my main menu. I just created like a placeholder main menu. That's a place... The ground is probably too thin. Probably. Let me... Okay, I gotta make my sword bigger. First of all, I gotta make this sword bigger. That's something I gotta do. I gotta make this sword a little bit bigger because that sword was way too small. 0.2. It should be like double the size, I think. Double the size. Scale 2 and 2. Move this up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna move this in a little bit, actually. Gonna move that. Hopefully, making it bigger will make it so the item won't clip through. I don't know for sure, but if I make the sword bigger, hopefully it won't clip through. If it does, I might have to change the floor. Because right now, the floor is just a plane, I think. I don't think there's any 3D depth to the collision of the floor. Look, it's a sword! I'm actually kind of proud of it. I'm actually kind of proud of it. Look at it. It's so cool. Look how fucking cool this shit is. Okay, it clipped. Okay, I think I need to fix it. It clipped through the ground. Yeah, it clipped through the ground, I think. Yeah, it clipped through the ground. Yeah, I need to fix that. I definitely need to fix that. Okay, where's my tile? Where's my floor? Where? Huh? Where is my chunk, maybe? Do I not have a tile scene? I could have sworn I had a tile scene somewhere. Wall node? What the fuck is a wall node? Why do I have this shit? What? I'm literally getting confused. Okay, ground node. That's what it is. Ground node. Okay, this is literally just a 2D plane. I think that's the problem. The problem is just that it's a 2D plane. I wish it didn't clip through, though. I wish it didn't fucking clip through, but whatever. I have to turn this into a 3D fucking whatever. Collision shape 3D. I will leave you again, just like your father. You really had to do me like that, huh? You really had to do me like that, Battle taught me. God damn. Wall node is used in the dungeon. Yeah, that's probably what it's used for, you know. Probably what it's used for. It's probably used for the dungeon stuff or whatever. You know, like, sometimes I look at my own code and I just, like, forget after a while. It's like, what am I doing with this code? Who wrote this code? And it's literally me, but I forgot that I wrote it. Let me actually line this up properly. Like, I want to be as exact as possible, you know? I want to be as exact as possible. It does, I don't mind if it's a little bit off, but still want to be as exact. Oh my god, I can't even see. Okay, let me do this. Okay, there we go. Let me make this so it's a little bit thick. A little bit thick. It's like a thin layer on the ground. It's a thin layer on the ground. Also, have a good day, Battle Tom. I don't think I said it yet. You can change it on the right. This thing? You can change the plane thing on the right? What are you talking about? Oh, you can change this on the right. That's what you're talking about. Oh. I'm gonna make this 0, 0, 0, by the way. I'm gonna make this 0, 0, 0. Okay, let me, how big is this, by the way? How big is this ground node? I forgot. It's 8 by 8, right? So I can literally just do 8 by 8. 8 by 8. And then this can be like 0.05, right? Yeah, I forgot that you could do that. I forgot you could do that. Yeah, I forgot you could do that. But thanks for letting me know. I forgot. But now it should work without clipping through the floor. Hopefully, you know, hopefully. Hopefully this should work. If everything goes well, this should work. Okay, where's my swords at? Where are my swords at? Okay, it's not clipped. Well, I take that back. I'm a fucking liar. It just... Why? 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 The cheese doesn't clip through the floor. Yet the sword does. Do I have to make it fatter? What is wrong with my sword? My cheese doesn't clip through, but my sword does for some reason. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Hey, you know what? I'm gonna have to make this ground thicker. I need to make it dummy thick. It needs to be dummy thick, okay? You need to be dummy thick. You need to be extremely, extremely dummy thick. Why is it nighttime all of a sudden? What the fuck? Did I change, like, the fucking daytime in my game? What the hell? It became nighttime all of a sudden. Wait, what? Wait, huh? Wait, I'm gonna test this real quick. What? Okay, it works. Okay, let me, Wait. Okay, yeah. Let me test this again. Let me test this again. See if it clips through the floor. I was gonna try something, but I don't know what I was doing. All right, let's try this again. Okay, cheese does not clip through. Does the sword clip through? Okay, it doesn't seem to be clipping through. Oh, is it clipping? Hello? Are you clipping through the floor? Are you clipping? It doesn't seem to be clipping. Okay. I just needed to make the floor really thick for some reason. I just needed... What the f... It just clipped through the floor again. Why? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you okay? What the fuck is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You little fucking... It might just be Godot's 3D physics. It should be fixed with 4.4 with the addition of Jolt. I don't know what Jolt is, but if it fixes it, that's good because I don't know what's going on with that right now. Nothing's wrong with my cheese. My cheese is completely fine. So I don't know what's going on with my thing, you know. Sword. Jolt is an is it better? I'm assuming it's better. I'm assuming it's better since you can what's it called? Since you're suggesting it, you know. A standard sword. Should I update to the 4.4 then? Because right now I don't know what the hell is going on with my sword. Like what is going on with it? Like it should be fine. I thought it was fine. Like I increased the size of everything. So I thought it would be fine. I made the floor really thick. Okay, I have a sword now. I have a standard sword. I can pick up a bunch of swords now. Yeah, now I have a bunch of swords and I have cheese. I have cheese and a sword. I have a cheese and a sword now. I have a sword and a cheese. I have a cheese and a sword. There we go. Nice. That actually is very cool. That is very, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay. 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 I probably want to fix the sword, I guess, because I don't know what's going on with that. Let me check my world function here. Let me check my world function. Dungeon. Actually, I don't want to. Where's my world? Where's my world? Huh? Where's my main world? Main scene. There we go. Let's open up my main scene here. Grass, floor. How am I summoning my floor again? I forgot. How am I summoning my floor? Ground node. You could try giving it a capsule collision shape too. A capsule. I guess I could do a capsule. But the thing is, it's a sword. It feels like... Okay, I don't know why, but my cheese function works. I have a cheese function, and it works fine. So I don't know why it's specifically that. Let me do ground node again. My cheese function works perfectly fine. So I don't know what's wrong with the other thing. Okay, maybe there's something wrong with my sword. Let me just see. Is there something wrong with this sword? What is wrong with you? Are you okay? What is fucking wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you? Actually, what is wrong with you? Like, the sword looks fine. It looks pretty fine to me. It genuinely looks fine to me, man. I mean, I guess for now it won't matter that much. I guess later on I'll have to try to fix it. Maybe I'll just wait for the 4.4 update. I guess I could just... Do we know when the 4.4 is getting officially released? Do we know? Huh. If I stand on it, I think, yeah, it gets clipped through. What is wrong with this sword, man? Also, hello, Luke Hooligan. Hoogland, sorry. Hello, Luke Hoogland. You might want to change the origin part of origin point of your object. That 0, 0 position is exactly at the bottom of the. I guess I could try that, but the thing is, I'll try that. I'll try that. Yeah, I'll try that. I'm gonna move this all down then. I'm gonna move this all down, and then I'm gonna make it so this is perfectly here. I don't think this will fix anything, but maybe. Also, welcome to the stream, and hope you're having a good day, by the way. Pretty soon, January 16th. They said about a month. That's good then, because then I'll probably just wait for that then. Do we know if okay, that still doesn't work. I just clipped through the floor, yeah. Do we know if, what's it called? Do we know if updating to 4.4 will, like, affect my current code? Because I don't know if they, like, made any drastic changes where if I update, like, my game file will completely break or something. I don't know. So I don't know if that's a thing or not, but maybe. It shouldn't? Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. I don't get it. My cheese is perfectly fine. What? What the fuck? What? Did I just see that cheese dancing? The cheese. I, uh, I just saw the cheese dancing. Am I going crazy? Someone back me up here. I just saw the cheese dancing. It wasn't just me, right? Yeah, I gotta say, the physics is pretty goofy. The physics in Godot are. Maybe it's because the mass is like different. Maybe if I change the mass. Actually, let me see. What if I make the mass like 1,000? Let me try changing the mass like 1,000. A fucking 1,000. What happens when you punch the cheese? I did. Okay. I can't affect. I'm pretty sure my fist doesn't have gravity. I'm pretty sure my fist does not have collision physics. My fist does not have collision physics, I think. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have what's it called? Collision. Because I don't want you to be able to push the enemies away. Because I made a game before where my fist would affect the enemies, and it just made the fucking enemies go flinging away, and that was not very nice. So I think I make it so I just goes through them just for checking and stuff. But anyways, I guess I can just leave my sword like this for now and just wait for the update. I guess I'll just wait for the update. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So honestly, this was a 3-hour stream, and I think I made some decent progress. Like all I did was finish up my inventory. Is creating an inventory that big of an oppressive feat? I guess so, you know. But we have cheese, we have swords, and we have an inventory. In 3 hours of work, I managed to finish that up, and we can drop them now. We can drop them. Look at that. We can drop it, and it fucking glitches through the floor for some reason. Don't ask me why. It just does. But I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you guys for joining, everybody. Thank you guys for joining. I do appreciate the views, as always. I do appreciate you guys being here. I hope you guys had fun, too. Hope you guys had fun. Yeah, it will be built off for the rest of the game, so I'd say it's pretty important. Yes, anyways, I am gonna end the stream, though. Thank you guys for joining, guys. Thank you guys for joining. I do appreciate you guys being here. I'm gonna end the stream. I did make some decent progress, so I am a little bit proud. I did not think I would be able to do this, because the inventory seemed pretty difficult. But I did manage to implement it. And I also have my render distance working as usual. The chunks are loading in. And I have not gotten any, like, frame drops, surprisingly. I'm not getting any major frame drops, which I was expecting to get a lot of. I mean, to be fair, I haven't been playing for that long, so I guess that makes sense. But, yeah. Yeah. I think I did good. Hello. Also, hello, wow, gearing morning. Hello, welcome to the stream. I was literally about to end the stream. You joined right at the end of the stream, my man. Thank you for joining, but I'm gonna be ending the stream soon. Yeah, sorry for that, but I'm gonna be ending the stream soon, man. Glad you could join though. Glad you could join for like 3 seconds before I ended the stream. But I think that's about it. Thank you to everyone who joined, and that's about it. I'm gonna end the stream now. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye.